I agree because every BUCBM student, faculty member, and staff holds the power to shape enterprises, communities, and futures bigger than yourselves. So, lead with integrity, innovate with purpose, and serve with heart, and always go beyond the best.
Mic check, 1, 2, 3.
A pleasant day to our esteemed guests, faculty, honorees, and members present here with us today.
We proudly welcome you to the most anticipated academic ceremony in our esteemed college, where we take pride in BUCBM's excellence, recognizing our students for their efforts, consistent performance, dedication, and commitment to academic excellence, despite the challenges that comes along their way.
As we commence today's recognition, we dedicate a moment for our honorees as they enter, with each step signifying their notable years of upholding the four pillars of our university: scholarship, service, character, and leadership.
We invite everyone to join us in honoring our distinguished participants as they grace the center aisle for our processional march. Everyone, please rise.
We begin with the entrance of colors by the Bicol University Reserve Officers Training Corps.
To start our processional, let us now welcome our esteemed students.
Again, may we call on the Bicol University Reserve Officers Training Corps. Starting off with our national, regional, and local winners, continually bringing pride and honor to our college.
Followed by the Sedem Maneuvers and Service Award recipients from College Publication and Editorial Board. Once again, we will be having the Sedem Maneuvers and the Service Award recipients from College Publication and Editorial Board.
Next is our Service Award recipients from college-based organization officers.
Next, we have the college-based organization presidents.
And of course, the outgoing BUCBM College Student Council officers.
The top 10 of the Bicol University College of Business, Economics and Management Scholarship Awardees.
And next, we have our most outstanding BUCBM athletes.
Next, we have the most outstanding Bicol University College of Business, Economics and Management faculties.
And we have our outstanding Bicol University College of Business, Economics, and Management college-based organization and advisor.
Next, the outstanding Bicol University College of Business, Economics and Management college students. Our leadership awardee, Ms. Lawrence A. Saison. Service awardee, Ms. Stephen Michael A. Taquilid. And our scholarship awardee, Ms. Kirsten A. Villanueva, with her honorable parents. And to our most outstanding college student and the awardee as well of the service awardee, Ms. Stephen A. Taquilid.
The Bicol University College of Business, Economics, and Management faculty and non-teaching staff. Our college student activities coordinator, Professor Geneva M. Nariulagas, and our BUSBM Associate Dean, Dr. Julian M. Lustan.
We would also like to recognize our Office of Student Affairs and Services Dean, Professor Jaslyn T. Imperial, the University Registrar, Sir Phil V. Morano, and our University Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Maria Julieta P. Boris.
This procession serves not just as an annual ceremonial tradition, but as a genuine tribute to the individuals or exceptional students who strive to exceed beyond the best.
Let us remain standing for the opening prayer. This procession serves not just our annual ceremonial tradition, but is a genuine tribute to the individuals, our exceptional students who strive to exceed beyond the best. And now, let us open this event with the opening prayer.
Please remain standing for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem to be conducted by our sport coordinator and college publication advisor, Professor Gemma A. Sarte. Thank you, everyone. You may now be finally seated. At this moment, we recognize the Cebemians who have surmounted great challenges.
Good morning, Cebemians, and good morning to our dearest faculties. Partner, where you at?
Well, again, at this moment, we recognize the Cebemians who have surmounted great challenges and still continue to stand proudly with dignity in their personal achievements throughout the academic year.
Each student has their unique experiences paved through their own sweat and tears. Now, let us applaud and celebrate their collective efforts in becoming digitally inclined lifelong learners.
Welcome to the 2026 BUCBM Recognition Ceremony. With the theme of Values-Driven Workforce, Digitally Inclined Lifelong Learners.
At this moment, we now call on our supportive BUCBM College Dean, Dr. Dimson M. Rivero, for his opening remarks. Again, let us give him a big round of applause, please.
Thank you, Aaron, and thank you, Micah. To our university president, Dr. Babyboy Benjamin D. Nebres III, our competent vice president for academic affairs, Dr. Maria Julieta B. Boris, our university registrar, Professor Phil V. Morano, sir, Mr. Salvador M. Abinyon, the college registrar, Professor Jaslyn T. Imperial, the Dean of the Office of Student Affairs and Services. To our guest of honor, Mr. Clint John B. Marcoso, Dr. Julian M. Lustan, the Associate Dean and the Planning Officer of the College, Dr. Nolan G. Belaro, the BS Entrepreneurship Program Chairperson, Dr. Janet G. Poha, the BSBA Program Chairperson, Professor Ray Joseph M. Redoblado, the BS Accountancy Program Chairperson, Professor Edna B. Mata, the BS Economics Program Chairperson, Professor Geneva N. Liagas, the CSAS Coordinator and the focal person, the woman behind this event, together with Mr. Roger B. De La Torre, the incumbent CSE President. The rest of the distinguished members of the BU-CBEM Dean's Council and the CSE officers and the junior councilors. Esteemed members of the BU-CBEM teaching and non-teaching personnel, proud parents, and most importantly, our outstanding CBEMians. Friends, ladies, and gentlemen, have you ever paused to consider what it means to be part of a values-driven workforce and digitally inclined lifelong learner in today's world? As we gather to celebrate the College of Business, Economics, and Management Recognition Day 2026 under the theme Class of 2026, Values-Driven Workforce, Digitally Inclined Lifelong Learners, we are reminded that our journey is defined not just by achievements, but by the values we uphold and our readiness to learn, to adapt, and to innovate in an increasingly digital arena. To be truly values-driven means anchoring your professional and personal lives in integrity, empathy, and service. It means letting ethical principles guide your decisions and allowing your character to shine through every challenge and opportunity. At the same time, to be digitally inclined lifelong learners is to embrace the mindset that learning never ends. It is about staying curious, agile, and open to new ideas and technologies. The years 2025 and 2026 have marked pivotal moments of BU-CBEM. From the successful evaluation of our certificates of program compliance to the recognition of the BU Daraga Campus College of Business, Economics, and Management as not only top one, but the only top performing school in the Philippines in the October 2025 Certified Public Accountant Licensure Examinations. And to our recent recognition as the top performing school in the Certified Human Resource Associate Assessment Examination with an outstanding 91% institutional passing rate. And these accomplishments are not merely laurels of success. They are actually the foundation upon which you will build your futures as successful accountants, entrepreneurs, business managers, and economists, not only in our country, but across the globe. Our journey is rooted in the vision of Bicol University as a university driven for humanity, grounded in the 4 pillars of leadership, scholarship, service, and character. Of these, character remains at the heart of a meaningful and impactful professional life. Let character guide you and guide your digital journeys, inform your ethical decisions, and inspire your commitment to service in any context. As you receive your well-deserved recognition today, remember that these accomplishments are beginnings rather than endings. Let them inspire you to continue learning, to lead with integrity, and to use digital tools responsibly and creatively for the benefit of humanity. Congratulations to our exceptional CBEMians and to the parents whose untiring support has been essential in this achievement. You embody the spirit of resilience and excellence that define our college. Now, let me ask you, how will you shape your future? How will you leave a legacy? And how will you go beyond the best? Much obliged.
Thank you very much, Dr. Dimson Rivero, for that very empowering speech. We are truly honored to gather here to celebrate the remarkable accomplishments of our dear students.
At this point, we call on our university registrar, Sir Phil V. Morano, for his congratulatory message. Let us give him a warm hand, please.
Hello. To our university president, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin T. Nebres III, our vice president for academic affairs, Dr. Maria Julieta B. Bores, the dean of the BU College of Business, Economics and Management, Dr. Dimson Rivero, the officials of the college, the department heads and designees, to our guest speaker, guest of honor this morning, Mr. Clint John B. Morcoso, to all the faculty members of BU-CBEM, the student leaders and officers of the Student Council, the organizers of this meaningful event, to the proud parents and families, and most especially to our dear student awardees. A pleasant day to everyone. It is truly an honor to stand before you today and share in this celebration of excellence and achievement. So to the students, again, my warmest congratulations. Today is not only a recognition of your hard work and dedication, but also a celebration of love, sacrifice, and unwavering support of your parents, as well as your families. Behind every success story is a family who believed in you, who supported you, and stood by you through every challenge. So this moment belongs to them as well. Palakpakan natin sila. Kahit wala dito yung iba sa mga kapamilya ninyo. My dear friends, my dear students, we are living in a time when we can clearly see change happening around us because of social media. Businesses are expanding. Even here in Albay, we see new cafes in Legazpi. growing food parks in Daraga, and more local shops opening in nearby towns. These are signs that opportunities are increasing. At the same time, technology is shaping how we live and work. Tools like AI or artificial intelligence are making tasks faster and easier, not only for students, but also for workers and businesses. However, this also reminds us that we must continue learning because some jobs will change and new skills will be needed. We also see how decisions in leadership and governance affect everyday life. When transportation costs increase, students feel it in their daily commute. We all do. When prices of food go up, families adjust their budget, sometimes making sacrifices just to continue education. Because we Filipinos believe that education is one of the most important priorities. You all agree? Now, these realities, my dear friends, remind us that decisions in business and government are closely connected to the lives of every people. This is where your role becomes important. As students of business, education, and management, you are preparing to become future leaders, people who will make decisions that affect not only communities, but also families and communities. So allow me to share from my field. I am a biologist. I'm not a business expert. I'm not an economist, not a business manager. But in biology, we learned that systems become stronger when there is cooperation. And survival depends on the ability to adapt, just like in nature. Success is not achieved alone. It grows through connection with others and through the willingness to change when needed. In biology, we also learn that everything is connected. What happens in one part of a system affects the whole. And in the same way, every decision that you make in the future, whether in business or leadership, will have an impact on people's lives. So this reminds us that true success is not only measured by growth, but by how that growth helps others. So as you move forward, my dear friends, I encourage you to, number one, be wise in your decisions. I repeat, be wise in your decisions, especially when you begin handling money, opportunities, and positions of responsibility. Always choose what is right, not just when it's easy or profitable. Also, be honest in your decisions, whether in small tasks or big responsibilities. Integrity, my dear friends, is built in everyday choices, even when no one is watching. And for me, this is the most important. Always remember the people you serve. As scholars of the Filipino people, as beneficiaries of the free higher education, you carry a responsibility greater than yourselves. The education you received is not only a privilege, but a trust. So use it to serve, to uplift, and to give back to the very people who made your education possible. So to all of you, my dear student awardees, this recognition is a testament to your hard work and commitment over the past 2 semesters. Tama? So you have shown discipline, consistency, and the ability to rise to the demands of your field. So let this moment remind you of what you are capable of achieving. Carry this confidence with you as you move forward to your next goals, your future careers, and the roles you will one day take in society. So may this recognition inspire you not only to aim higher, but also to remain grounded in purpose and service. So once again, congratulations to all of you. Mabuhay kayo. At mabuhay ang kabataang magtataguyod sa kinabukasan ng ating bayan.
Thank you so much, sir, for the heartfelt messages to our graduate. But we would like to request for you to please remain on stage for the awarding of the certificate.
Yes, because to channel our sincerest appreciation to Sir Phil V. Morano, we would like to award him with a certificate.
Joining us in the awarding are our Associate Dean, Dr. Julian M. Lustan, and our College Dean, Dr. Dimson M. Rivero, together with the Faculty Chairperson for every department. The certificate reads, Certificate of Appreciation is presented to, in recognition of your valued support and for gracing the BU-CBM Recognition 2026, given the 6th of May 2026 at Boseng Gymnasium, Legazpi City, Albay. Signed, Dr. Dimson M. Rivero. Once again, this certificate is hereby awarded to Sir Phil V. Morano. Let us give him a big hand, please.
Thank you so much to our university officials for gracing our recognition rights. Now, to formally introduce our esteemed guest of honor, may we now call on the chair of the BU-CBM Business Administration Department, Dr. Janet G. Poha.
To our university and college administrators, faculty and non-teaching staff, student awardees, parents, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good day. Have you ever met someone whose journey is a perfect blend of academic excellence, public service, and inspiring leadership? Well, today, you're about to, because we are about to hear from someone whose journey is a powerful testament to dedication, leadership, and excellence. Our guest of honor today is a man who epitomizes the value of hard work and continuous growth. From his early academic years, he has consistently demonstrated outstanding performance, graduating as a cum laude from Bicol University with a degree in Business Administration, major in Operations Management in 2017, and earning top honors throughout his primary and secondary education. But what truly sets him apart is not just academic excellence. It is his commitment to service and leadership. During his university years, he actively led organizations, serving as president of the Operations Management Club and taking on key leadership roles in national youth organizations. His passion for leadership even earned him multiple recognitions, including awards for outstanding student in leadership and leadership excellence. Professionally, his journey is just as inspiring. He has built a solid career in public service, beginning with the Department of Trade and Industry, where he served in various capacities, from business counselor to trade industry development specialist. Through these roles, he contributed to empowering entrepreneurs and supporting economic development in the region. Today, he continues to make meaningful impact as a senior research specialist at the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, South Luzon Regional Office, a role that reflects both his expertise and his dedication to advancing our country's financial and economic landscape. Beyond these impressive credentials, our speaker is also an adept communicator, an event organizer, and a leader who understands the value of connecting with people. His experiences, insights, and real-world perspective make him not only knowledgeable, but truly relatable and inspiring. Ladies and gentlemen, as we open our minds to new ideas and possibilities, let us warmly welcome a dynamic leader, a passionate public servant, and an inspiring Cibembian, Mr. Clint John B. Morcoso. A resounding applause, please.
All right, thank you so much, Dr. Janet Dr. Janet Pa, for that introduction, superb introduction. Nahiya ako actually. And thank you so much also for the BUCBM, yung TARP, very overwhelming. Na-pressure ako for this speech. Okay, to our esteemed Bicol University President, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III, our Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Maria Julieta B. Bores, our University Registrar, Professor Phil V. Morano, our beloved and ever-supportive Dean of BUCBM, our tatay, Dr. Dimson M. Rivero, together with our Associate Dean, Dr. Julie M. Lustan, our department chairpersons, the faculty, and the non-teaching staff of BUCBM, our student leaders, the BUCBM Student Council, our proud parents, friends, and of course, our outstanding students. Kasama natin ngayon. Diyos marahay na aldaw po sa Indogabos. First and foremost, let me extend my warmest congratulations to each and every one of you. To our dear students, proud parents, families, mentors, the entire BUCBM family, and the Bicol University community. Palakpakan naman po natin ang bawat sarili. Dapat proud kayo. Andito ka ngayon sa Recognition Day. I am truly honored, happy, and excited to be here. It's so good to be back at my beloved alma mater. Honestly, parang ang bilis lang ng panahon. Grabe, dati student pa lang ako, and now we are here celebrating another milestone. Before anything else, pwede ba ako makapag-request to our dear students? Yan, pakigreet naman, pakitapik naman. Baka may natutulog na sa mga katabi. Pakibati sila with giggle factor, ha? Pakisabi na, congrats na survive mo. Yan. Yeah. Dapat proud. Alright. And yung sa kaliwa naman, pakisabi na, pa-burger ka naman. Later da. Yan. Iti-treat kayo ng mga katabi nyo later. Alright. Celebration of excellence ng BUCBM. Okay, once again, my biggest congratulations again to all of you. Today is one of the best moments in our journey. This recognition program. Hindi lang ito tungkol sa achievements, but also yung pagod, puyat, tiyaga at sakripisyo. Siguro sa iba, it's a step closer to your graduation. May mga graduating students na ba? Sigurado na. Ayan, sigurado na. May award nga eh. Okay? So, and as we celebrate this moment, we're not just marking an event. We're appreciating everything we went through just to get here. Perhaps this concludes our journey of studying from kinder, daycare, elementary, high school, up to now, college. With the sleepless nights, stressful days, and everything in between of our study, the projects, researches, homeworks, everything na naging part nitong ating learning journey. In college, we have learned the struggles of being a student. Our main goal, of course, is to finish our education. Ika nga, ito ang isang pamana na habang buhay sa atin, na hindi ito mawawala at hindi pwedeng kunin ni numan. From this journey, we have learned a lot. Not just the knowledge from the four corners of our classroom, but also the experience that honed us kung ano tayo ngayon. We have very competent educators, my former mentors sa BUCBEM, that inspire us and still us that knowledge na dadalhin natin kung saan man tayo magpunta. And until ngayon, dala-dala ko pa rin ito kung saan man ako magpunta. With this year's theme, Class of 2026, Values-Driven Workforce, Digitally Inclined Lifelong Learners. Napakaganda ng ating tema, napapanahon, with the word values and digital. The theme highlights both values formation and digital readiness. We are being prepared to adapt to the learning environment and the world brought about by digitalization and technology. Sabi nga, hindi sapat lang kung ano ang alam mo. Ito ay kasama din ang iyong prinsipyo and ang iyong willingness na matuto, especially ngayon sa digital na mundo. Yeah, medyo rhyming. Yeah, so yan. Being digitally inclined doesn't mean na marunong ka lang gumamit ng cellphone. With the digital tools available, the social media, or marunong ka lang mag-seen sa Facebook na walang reply. Hindi lang about doon ang digitally inclined. It's about being responsible. Sa panahon ngayon na lahat pwedeng i-post, i-share, at i-comment, your digital footprints becomes who you are. Kaya be mindful sa mga pinapost natin, sinishare nyo, and how you are engaging online. Kahit simpleng pag-scroll lang yan, simpleng pag-scroll lang sa social media, may tinatawag tayo diyang passive digital footprint. Because once it's out there, it reflects you. It represents you. And yes, even your future employer might see it, lalo na pag nag-background check sa inyo. In a fast-evolving digital world, your character remains your most reliable advantage. As one of the pillars of Bicol University, and it represents the values you carry as a true BUNyo. Use social media and digital tools not just for trends and entertainment. Kung gusto nyo lang makita yung mukha nyo after ilang years, pagandahin, yan, yung AI ngayon, but is a tool for learning, growth, and positive impact. Hindi lahat ng nababasa online ay totoo. Kaya always verify before you share, think before you click. As students, alam ko na karamihan sa inyo mahilig mag-post. Hindi kumpleto ang isang araw na walang post sa social media. May pa at the moment, may pa photo dump, update dito, story doon, na para pang daig pa ang PowerPoint presentation sa classroom. Share dito, share doon, na minsan ang caption mas mahaba pa sa mga assignment, sagot sa assignment. Yan. So may mga kilala ba kayo nito, mga friends? Joke lang just to make it more relatable sa ating discussion. Kahit naman ako nagpo-post, okay lang naman ito as long as you practice responsible posting. Ika nga, minsan kasi hindi naman kailangan i-post. Hindi naman kailangan lahat patulan sa social media. Sabi nga, deadma sa bashers. Yeah. With our theme, it reflects the roadmap of the necessary skills, knowledge, and competencies that we need in the 21st century, embracing digital evolution. Kailangan natin makasabay with the evolving world. And when we say values-driven, this means bringing integrity, accountability, and respect, even in the digital space. Kahit walang nakikita, gawin pa rin ang tama. That is what will set you apart. Being a student is never easy journey. As we go along the way, huwag tayong panghinaan ng loob, both with the struggles that we have experienced. I know each and every one of you has unique stories. May kanya-kanya tayong kwento. But look at you right now. Yan. Tingnan mo naman ang katabi mo. Mukhang pagod pa ba? Stress? Or nasobrahan sa kape? Or blooming na kasi re-receive na ng award. Excited na alam ko later. So yan, the very fact na andito ka ngayon, nandito kayo ngayon, kahit gaano kahirap ang inyong journey, hindi kayo sumuko. And you are a step closer to your dream. And the bonus part, you are here at the recognition program. You go beyond what is expected. As I reflect on your journey, I am reminded of my own path as well. 9 years. It's already been 9 years since I was student like you. 9 years since I was where you are now, carrying the dreams, doubts, and the quiet question, what comes next? I also went through a lot of struggles. I learned knowledge and experiences the hard way. How hard life can be. Lumaki ako in a simple family that struggled to make ends meet. I was supported by my brothers and sisters and my mother para maipursue ko ang aking studies. Dati, ginagamit ko yung scholarship ni mother as a barangay official. So malaking tulong na yun sa akin para maitawid ko ang pag-aaral, yung tuition lang. And now, you are more than privileged with a free tuition na meron binibigay sa atin. Which is malaking tulong na bawas na sa gastos, iniisipin. Makaka-focus na kayo sa inyong mga studies. During college, I also tried doing part-time job. Not just for experience, but also for extra income to survive the college. Pangdagdag sa expenses. And minsan, pang-date. joke lang. Looking back, those struggles didn't stop me. Hindi ito naging hadlang para hindi ako makapagtapos. Instead, they pushed me forward. Ito pa nga ang aking nag-inspirasyon to thrive for more. And I am beyond grateful na nakapasok ako sa Bicol University. I am now a BU alumnus, a proud product of BU-CBEM. Share ko lang, every campus has its own identity. May branding tayong tinatawag. pag sinabi mong taga-BUCBEM, iba din talaga ang level. The respect, credibility, and the pride of being a CBEMian. Agree ba kayo doon? Yan. Parang may gustong lumipat ng campus ha. Joke. Yan. So iba talaga pag taga-BUCBEM. Embodying the pillars of Bicol University. May it be in academic, sports, pageantry, na parang pang Miss Universe na ang CBEM, competitions, the programs, at marami pang iba. As mentioned ng ating Dean, the exceptional accomplishment of the BUCBEM. Sino ba naman ang hindi magiging proud doon? Yan. Palakpakan naman natin ang ating alma mater, the BUCBEM. And you know what's important? It's you, tayo, na bumubuo and represent not just the BUCBEM, but the entire Bicol University. Alright, so we should be proud as a CBEMian and as a BUenyo. Sabi nga ng ating tatay din, the cheer of BUCBEM. Go BUCBEM, go beyond the best. Gaya ngayon, you go beyond the best. The excellence of BUCBEM. In the real world, whether corporate or government, makakasama mo ang iba-ibang workmates from different schools, from the top universities in the Philippines. At syempre, kasama dyan ang Bicol University. Kaya ako, lagi pag tinatanong kung saan ako galing, I'm always proud to say that I'm from the Bicol University. I'm proud to be from the BUCBEM. With this, let me also share a bit of my journey after graduation. I had my first internship at the Department of Trade and Industry. Naghanap kasi ako that time ng agency related sa business until I found the one, the DTI. After graduation, hindi madali maghanap ng trabaho. Some of us will go into business, while others will join the workforce. In my case, I tried both the government and the private. Pero mas leaning talaga ako towards the public service. Eventually, I got hired at the DTI. That became my first job. I started in an entry-level technical position as a non-permanent employee. Akala ko noon, ang adulting ay exciting. Travel, freedom, money, akala ko exciting. Pero bakit bills ang dumating? So, scam pala. The joke lang. So, depende sa inyong magiging career path and sa tiyaga at diskarte ninyo. At that time also, laging may nagtatanong sa akin kung permanent na ba ako. Natatandaan ko lang. Na-curious ako kung bakit big deal iyon. Yun pala dahil sa benefits. Ika nga, hindi natin yun ipagkakaila. Yung benefits as a permanent. But in those months of working, hindi ako nagpa-apekto sa ganong comments. You know why? Kasi na-enjoy ko ang trabaho ko. And I realized, kung mahal mo ang ginagawa mo, yan, sana all mahal. Things slowly fall into place. That's what really matters. Enjoying and being passionate in everything that you do. Just like now in your studies. Until nabigyan ako ng break. Hindi sa showbiz but for a plantilla position at DTI. I worked at the municipal, to the provincial, and eventually at the regional office of the DTI. Sabi nga, step by the step ang process lang para sumakses. Kilala niyo ba ang DTI? Yan. So, enforcing the fair trade laws, yung mga nanghuhuli sa pricing and yung kung saan kayo pwede mag-register ng business as a sole proprietor. So, ang experience na na-build and the knowledge, iba din yung natutunan ko sa DTI. I am already a senior level employee. Akala ko, doon na talaga ako. Because I saw my career direction there. In fact, my master's degree is aligned with its mandate, the MSME development or business development. But sabi nga nila, life is full of uncertainties. Life is full of surprises. Until an opportunity knocked at my door to be part of the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. But hindi naging madali. I had to think, pray, and decide. Kasi mahirap talagang iwan ang bagay na sanay ka na. Na mahal mo na. Di ba? Especially since I had been with the office for years. Those sleepless nights, the prayers, asking for signs. I'm always saying, Lord, thy will be done. And one thing I realized, growth will never happen if we always stay where we are comfortable. On my part, going out of Albay, kasi nasanay na ako, dito lang ako sa Albay. Away from my family, going to Kamsur, na ang office ko ay 2 to 3 hours. Thank you, ma'am. May excuse lang po. Advertisement lang. Okay. So, growth will never happen. Kasi at that time, comfortable na ako dito. Kasi dito lang ako sa Albay. Until ang office ko ngayon ay located sa Camarines Sur. 2 to 3 hours ang travel time. Depende sa lubak at road reblocking. So yan, kailangan mong lumabas sa comfort zone mo. Because sometimes, the place where you feel safe is also the place where your growth is limited. In the case of others. Taking that leap was not easy. Both agencies are great. They gave me experiences I never expected. But it was necessary to grow, to learn more, and to improve as a person. And maybe that's also something in the future na pwede niyong kaharapin. The choices that are scary, uncertain, but worth taking. To make the story short, here I am now, representing the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Kilala niyo ba ang BSP? Nakapasok na kayo sa BSP? Siguro yung iba, sabi kasi nila parang hindi na daw makakalabas. Kasi maraming gate. So kasama nyo araw-araw si BSP. Isa sa mga nagbibigay ngiti sa inyo, aside sa mga jowa nyo, sa crush nyo. Ano ito? Pera. Yan. Pero wala po akong dalang pera, ha? Baka later masingil ako. During my start at the BSP, nabigyan ako ng opportunity sa promotion and advocacy programs. I'm part of the Regional Economic Affairs staff. Isa ito sa mga units ng BSP that deals with advocacy programs and stakeholders engagement. Our office is located at Danaga City, covering the South Luzon regions, the Calabarzon, Mimaropa, and Bicol region. Mula Catanduanes hanggang Palawan. Yan ang cover ng aming opisina. Pwede nyong i-follow ang aming page for learnings, especially sa mga advices about sa technology. Baka pagpasensyonan nyo na pag na-check nyo yung page, baka makita nyo yung pagmumukha ko doon. Na-extra kasi ako sa isang meaning in a minute na video ni BSP. The important is the message and the information. With the BSP, aside sa paggawa ng pera, it manages the inflation and implements that what we call as the monetary policies. The BSP is the Central Monetary Authority of the Philippines with the pillars of price stability, financial stability, and safe and efficient payments and settlement system. It was my dream job, dream agency back in college. There are many programs implemented with the BSP that align sa ating tema ngayon, the values-driven workforce, digitally inclined lifelong learners. We promote not only digital innovation, but also the responsible use of technology, especially in online financial transactions. As future professionals, it is important to embrace digital tools with discipline, critical thinking, and integrity. Kasi ito na talaga ang mga kailangan na competencies sa panahon ngayon. Dito na umiikot ang mundo natin. This includes also the responsible use of the artificial intelligence, the AI. Not just using it for convenience, paggawa ng memes, but using it with accountability, verifying information, and avoiding misuse. In today's digital world, opportunities and convenience come with risk. Like the fraud and scams, in just one click, pwedeng mawalan ng pera ang inyong account. Basta may pera yung account. May pera yung account. So it is important to stay vigilant and protect your personal and financial information. We also continue to strengthen financial literacy and the use of digital payments, yung paggamit nyo ng QR code and iba pa na digital payments. This will help you to make informed decisions para mas maging handa kayo at confident sa pagharap sa digital na mundo. Actually, there are activities in BSP in partnership with Bicol University, such as those conducted by the BU Order of the Blue Feather Society, the management, the accountancy, the economics and financial management students, including financial literacy sessions, the role of the BSP in the economy, and the recent economic summit conducted by the Bicol University. And partner din ng BU as a resource knowledge resource network. So may this partnership with the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas continuously prosper, equipping our students not only to be digitally skilled, but also responsible, ethical, financially aware, and fully prepared to meet the demands and challenges of an increasingly digital and evolving workforce. Remember, technology is powerful, but depende na lang kung paano ninyo ito gagamitin. The power of technology comes with great responsibility. You can use it to learn, to grow, to build your career, or you can misuse it and damage your credibility. Pipili ka kung saan mo gusto mag-viral. The choice will always be yours. With that, my biggest congratulations to all the awardees for going the extra mile in your studies. But beyond these awards, what we should be most proud of are the learnings, the memories that we have shaped kung ano man at kung sino man tayo ngayon. Still, let us always be reminded to stay humble in our achievements kahit ano man ang marating natin sa buhay. As you move forward, may you embody the values that go beyond competence, being ethical, digitally responsible, and financially empowered. This reflects the Bicol University pillars of character, including the service, leadership, and scholarship. Because true success is not just measured by what you achieve, kung ano man ang naabot ninyo. It's about how you responsibly, wisely manage these opportunities entrusted to you. And syempre, how you share it with others. So as you step in your next chapter, remember these three things. First, stay grounded in your values: integrity, accountability, and respect. Second, embrace the digital world responsibly. And the third, keep learning, because the physical and digital world is constantly evolving. With this, I assure you, hindi lang kayo magtatagumpay, you will make a difference. Before I end this talk, I would like to take this opportunity to thank my mentors here at Bicol University at the BUCBM. Wala ako dito kung wala sila ngayon dahil sa kanilang mentorship, the guidance na ibigay sa akin. Not just during college, but until now, nakakasama ko sila. My sincerest gratitude to the Bicol University leadership, headed by our President, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III, and to the BUCBM family, our tatay, Dean Dr. Dimson M. Rivero, sina Ma'am Julia, Associate Dean, the department chairpersons, my mentors, professors sa BUCBM, the non-teaching staff of BUCBM, kay thesis advisor ko din, kay Sir Elmer Lorenzana, and of course, sa lahat na bumubuo ng BUCBM community for inviting me to this momentous celebration. I would like also to acknowledge the full support of our regional director at the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, Attorney Tomas J. Carino Jr., and the entire BSP SLRO family. I am deeply honored to be back at my alma mater to share my insights, experiences from my personal and professional journey. To our students and all the awardees, congratulations and good luck to your next journey. Padagos na kita sa pag-abot kang sa tong mga pangarap. Before I end this talk, pwede bang makapag-request sa inyo? The cheer of the BUCBM. BUCBM, go beyond the best. As I say the first line, you respond the second line. Okay? Okay ba? Dapat yung proud kayo na taga-CBM, yung happy kayo na part kayo ng recognition. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go CBM! Go beyond the best. Diyos mabalos po.
Thank you so much, Sir Clint, for your voice of wisdom. It will surely remain imprinted in our minds long after this recognition. We truly are going beyond the best. Also, sir,
We kindly ask you to stay on the stage for the awarding of certificate and token. Please proceed to the center stage.
joining us in the awarding of the certificate and the token. First, we have our Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Maria Julieta B. Boris. Our University Registrar, Sir Phil V. Morano. Joining us well is our CSAS Coordinator, Professor Geneva M. Nario Liagas, Associate Dean Dr. Julie Ann M. Lustan, and our College Dean Dr. Dimson M. Rivero. And after the awarding of the certificate, we are asking for all of the teaching and non-teaching staff to proceed in front for the photo opportunity. The citation reads, Certificate of Recognition is hereby awarded to for his invaluable contribution as a guest of honor and keynote speaker during the 2026 Recognition Day of the College of Business, Economics, and Management. Signed, Dr. Dimson M. Rivero, Dean, BUCBM. This certificate is hereby awarded to Mr. Clint John B. Morcoso. Let us give him a big round of applause, please. After the awarding, may we request all of the faculty to please proceed here in front for the photo opportunity. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to our dear professors for the photo opportunity. Partner?
Once again, our deepest appreciation goes to our guest of honor. Let us give him a warm round of applause. At this juncture, it is with great privilege to welcome our very own University President, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Nebres III, to deliver a message for our awardees.
Also, thank you for the participation. We would also like to acknowledge the presence of the University Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Maria Julieta B. Boris, whom we invite on stage with us for another congratulatory message. Let us give her a big round of applause, please.
A pleasant day to each and everyone, particularly to our dear awardees. I am very happy and honored to be part of this beautiful occasion. I've been hopping from one recognition, one college after another. For the past days, we started the series of recognition last week. And in my count, I think this is already my 8th stop. And so, in this season of the academic calendar in the university, I would not really accept any invitations from outside the region, attending other functions outside the region, for me to give my opportunity to join this occasion for special po ang ating mga achievers. To the Dean of the Go Beyond the Best College, Dean Dim Rivero, together with the Associate Dean, Madam Julie Lostan. To our honored guest, the pride of Bicol University, particularly of the College of Business, Economics, and Management, Sir Clint Morcoso. I've heard you from several times, many nice things about you, of course, from your beloved sister, who happened to be my co-worker when I was still with the PRMO, kay Ma'am na G. To the powerhouse of the College of Business Economics and Management, the mentors who have always give their best, their dedication, their labor for our students to continuously achieve. The very efficient, dedicated, and brilliant faculty members. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga faculty members of the BUCBEM. Kayo yung reason kung bakit tayo nagtatap in so many examinations and other measures, and we are very proud of you. The program chairs, and of course also, sino ba yung ano natin? Si SAC. To Ma'am Geneva, palakpakan po natin si Ma'am Geneva. For I know, she is the woman behind the preparations for this beautiful occasion. Also to our volunteers, student volunteers, may mga nagbabalik na alumnus, I could see. The CSC officers who I know are also part of the preparation. And of course, we would like also to give honors to the relatives and parents, if there are, who are also joining us in this occasion. And of course, we're also honored by the presence of our university registrar, Sir Phil Morano. Thank you for joining us. Muli isang napakagandang araw, maalab na pagbati, kasing alab ng ating Mount Mayon. This is a beautiful occasion, and as I've said, I don't want to miss this, joining every recognition program of all the colleges as much as possible. Later on, you will be coming up the stage to receive your medals and certificates as a proof of the fruit of your labor for the past 10 months. But we are not only recognizing your excellence. You did not earn your spot in this hall because you passed examinations. You passed the requirements, the difficult requirements imposed by your prospective faculty members, subject teachers in your subjects for the past 10 months. But you passed one very important test, and that is the life's tests. I know that each one of you here has different stories, narratives of your silent battles and struggles as a BU student. Not all of you here share the same circumstances. Some of you here might be working students. Some of you here might be coming from different provinces, staying in boarding houses, struggling day to day with financial challenge, sustaining your college education in Bicol University. And so, your being here means that indeed you passed life challenge. What we are celebrating in this recognition program is not just excellence, but most importantly, what we are celebrating here is your strong spirit, your character, and your resilience. Your medals and certificates is not just a representation of excellence, but also of your own story. So I congratulate you, for you are here. College days and being in a college rather is not easy. We did have different challenges back in our college during our time, but yours is a totally different story, for you are more prone to so many challenges, one of which is mental health. Back in our days, we never mentioned about mental health, for if you do so, you might be labeled as krung-krung, baliw. But it doesn't mean that during our times we did not have any issue about mental health. But now, mental health is a real issue, and we recognize that. According to the Philippine Psychiatric Association, 1 out of 3 students or young people aged from 18 to 24 suffer from depression and anxiety. And there are a lot of factors pointed out triggering this situation, this condition, this crisis that our young people go through these days. And one of which is your exposure to the digital world. You are prone to the noise of the digital world. But you could not do without any engagement with the digital world. Matter of fact, just recently, because of the oil crisis, we have again to shift to an alternating mode of on-site and online modality. And so, that added pressure to you. We know based on the statistics, based on the data that we gathered from the profile that you've been submitting to us, that none of you here have access to a very stable internet connectivity. Not all of you here have gadgets to support online modality. And so this shifting to online and on-site, we know, added to your challenge. But we'll listen to you. We consider your circumstances. Matter of fact, my dear students, we take seriously the data, the statistics that you provide to the administration. There are some of you here probably seated among you who belong to what we call the cohorts of the first generation students. First generation students mean the very first member of the family, immediate family member who made it to college. And I honor you and I congratulate you for being here in this hall. First generation students, sabi ko sa Mr. Nafil, sa OSAS, sila yung mga taong ipakikipaglaban ko ng patayan just to ensure that they will make it to graduation no matter what happens. Why? Because this kind of students are the representation of the hope, of the dreams of their respective family. And maybe not only of the respective family, but of the entire clan. So I congratulate you, my dear achievers, for you are not just representing yourself, your dream and your hope, for you are also representing the hope of your family, of your clan, of your community. You also represent your teachers, your mentors, who never stop believing in your potential no matter what. You represent your community and you represent this country. The theme in this year's recognition program is so timely, something that we need to reflect on seriously. Values-driven and digitally inclined lifelong learners. In a study conducted from 2026 to 2030, a lot of jobs will be shifting, will be changed. Some will be outdated and phased out because of the transformation happening in the digital world. One of the triggers is, of course, the use of AI affecting all facets of the lives of so many people, including various industries. That's the kind of world that you will be joining, my dear scholars. Worry not. Bicol University will do its best to prepare you for any challenge, eventuality of the future. And so, you need to be digitally inclined. However, being digitally inclined, being digitally skilled may not be sufficient. While knowledge and skills will make you or will make you successful in so many aspects, probably will aid you find a job easily. But staying afloat and thriving in the profession that you will earn for yourself in the future, digital skills and knowledge will not be enough. What will keep you thriving and what will sustain success wherever you may be in the future are the most important tools that some of us might consider old-fashioned. These are Filipino values of tiyaga, pakikipagkapwa-tao, respeto, pagtatanaw ng utang na loob, and so many others. Which will bring us back to, again, one of the pillars of Bicol University, character, as the foundation of the three other pillars: leadership, scholarship, and service. At the foundation of these three pillars, character. Be ambassadors of the values and ideals of Bicol University. Always embrace these four pillars wherever you may be. This recognition is not the destination, the final destination. And for some of you who will be graduating soon, graduation is not the destination. As I've said a while ago, there are a lot of jobs that will be even phased out between 2026 to 2030. Take note, you belong to that period where you will be looking for your spot under the sun. You will be part of that generation that will start carving your own name in your chosen profession. And so, how are you going to prepare this eventuality? Stay curious. Stay committed to harnessing your craft. That is the challenge of becoming a lifelong learning. Getting an award in this recognition, getting a degree from the college program that you will be graduating is not the final destination. Being a lifelong learning doesn't always pursuing another program, another degree. Being a lifelong learning means staying curious, learning new things, improving your skills, acquiring new knowledge, to be updated. Maybe lifelong learning is taking short-term courses to improve your skills, your resume, or learning the challenge of a new role that you are assuming in your respective employment. Those are the challenges that you need to endure in the coming days. Your exposure to digital tools, ChatGPT, artificial intelligence, and so many others should always remind you how to use these tools ethically. You are not going to use these tools simply because you can, simply because you have an access to it. But always be reminded that these tools are here to support your learning. So may you be able to take advantage of this ethically, responsibly, and wisely. For after all, in the coming days of your life when you become professionals, I am sure that the companies you will be employed in will still be allowing you to do the same. And so, as early as now, while you are still students, always have that standard of being an ethical users of these digital tools. And so, I'd like to end my message by simply congratulating you, particularly also to your parents, relatives, and benefactors who continuously supported your education. May you continue to be always values-driven, always digitally inclined, and always committed lifelong learning. As you continue your journey as college student, always be reminded to carry that bar of excellence of Bicol University, Tibay Biyuwenyo, Tatak Biyuwenyo. Maraming salamat po, and may you continue enjoying the precious moments with one another in this recognition program. I'd now would like to shift to my next role of reading to you the very important message of our dear President who could not be with us for he is attending another important occasion. I'd like to read the message of our dear President, Dr. Baby Boy. And this is specially made for you, my dear students. And may I read? To our Dean, Associate Dean, the members of administration, distinguished faculty, staff, students, honorees, parents, guests, good day to all. Today we gather in recognition not only of achievements but of the values and principles that sustain our university community. This program with this theme, Values-Driven Workforce, digitally inclined lifelong learners, reminds us that true excellence is measured not only by skills and accomplishments, but by the character and dignity with which we live and serve. A values-driven workforce is the cornerstone of a strong institution. It is a hallmark of University for Humanity. It is through integrity that we earn trust, through resilience that we overcome challenges, and through compassion that we create meaningful impact. At Bicol University, we believe that education is not confined to classrooms. It is a lifelong journey of learning guided by values that shape us into responsible citizens and leaders. To our honorees, your recognition today is more than a celebration of success. It is a testament to your commitment to uphold values in your work and in your lives. You inspire us by showing that achievement is not only about reaching goals, but about pursuing them with honesty, responsibility, and respect for others. To our faculty staff, thank you for embodying these values daily and for modeling dignity in both teaching and service. To our dear parents, guardians, and benefactors, thank you for striving to give better options to your children, our students, who are able to reach this day because of your sacrifices and generosity. To our students, may this recognition program encourage you to see values as your compass guiding you toward meaningful careers and lives of service. As we honor today's achievers, let us also renew our collective commitment to building a workforce that is competent, values-driven, and dignity-inclined. Let us embrace lifelong learning that not only as a pursuit of knowledge, but as a way of living with integrity and purpose. In doing so, we strengthen our university, our communities, and our nation. Congratulations to our honorees. May your example continue to inspire us to live by values that uplift, empower, and transform, always driven for humanity and in the service of humanity. Just mabalos. There you have it, friends. The message of our beloved President, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III. Once again, maraming salamat.
Thank you very much, Dr. Boris, for that very timely message.
For the awarding of the Certificate of Appreciation, may we call on stage Dr. Julian M. Lostan, our Associate Dean, our College Dean, Dr. Dimson M. Rivero, together with the Department Chairpersons. Certificate of Appreciation is presented to, in recognition of your valued support for gracing the BU-CBM Recognition 2026. Signed, Dr. Dimson M. Rivero, Dean, Bicol University College of Business, Economics, and Management. Certificate of Appreciation is awarded to Dr. Maria Julieta B. Boris. Thank you so much. And now, one of the most awaited parts of this celebration. As we continue with today's program, with great anticipation, we now proceed with our awarding ceremonies.
As we call each of your names, may you remember that this is one of your many triumphs. Take a moment to cherish it, as you have truly earned it.
At this point, we now present our outstanding college students for the academic year 2025-2026. To join us in the awarding, we'd like to call on our keynote speaker, Mr. Clint John B. Marcoso, our VPAA, Dr. Maria Julieta B. Boris, our University Registrar, Mr. Phil V. Morano, our Associate Dean, Dr. Julian M. Lustan, and our College Dean, Dr. Dimson M. Rivero. Certificate of Recognition is hereby awarded to as Excellent College Student in Scholarship of the Bicol University College of Business, Economics, and Management, given the 6th day of May 2026 at Buseng Gymnasium, Legazpi City, Albay. This certificate is hereby awarded to Kirsten E. Villanueva for being the most outstanding college student in scholarship.
A certificate of recognition is also hereby awarded to an excellent college student in leadership from the College of Business, Economics, and Management. Let me call on, recognized for his excellence in leadership, Mr. Lawrence A. Saison from the Economics Department.
Congratulations. Awarded as the 2026 Outstanding BUCBM College Student in Excellence and in Service with a certificate of recognition as Excellence College Student in Service and the most outstanding college student of the College of Business, Economics, and Management. You are Mr. Stephen Michael A. Taquilid from the Business Administration, major in Marketing Management. Stephen Michael A. Taquilid is a recipient of Outstanding College Student in Service and the most outstanding college student from the College of Business, Economics, and Management. Thank you so much. We are now requesting all of the awardees to please be present in the stage for the photo opportunity. Thank you so much.
At this juncture, we now proceed to the awarding of our outstanding college-based organization and advisor who have gone beyond and extending service within and outside our institution through their collective efforts and commitment in pursuing their organizational purpose.
The citation reads, Certificate of Recognition is hereby awarded to as the outstanding college-based organization of the College of Business, Economics, and Management. This is the Junior Philippine Institute of Accountants, Bicol University Chapter. And the BUJP will not be complete without the outstanding college-based organization advisor, Professor Ray Joseph M. Redoblado.
We now proceed to the recognition of our outstanding BUCBM faculty for the academic year 2025 to 2026, whose passion continues to leave a lasting impact on the journey of the students towards becoming professional individuals.
Our outstanding BUCBM faculties for second semester 2024-2025. Certificate reads, as outstanding faculty member in the Teaching Effectiveness Evaluation of the College of Business, Economics, and Management for the first semester for the academic year 2025-2026. First, we have Dr. Nolan G. Belaro, Professor Merlando Bitancur, Professor Carlo M. Habana, Professor Analiza O. Pabilona, Professor Ray Joseph M. Redoblado, and Dr. Eddie S.C.
And for the first semester of 2025 to 2026, the same certificate is given to Mr. Morlando Betancourt, Dr. Julieta V. Mojados, Dr. Mark Francis G. Nang, Dr. Janet G. Poha, Professor Mary Ann Tonga.
These are our awardees for the first semester of 2025 and 2026. Congratulations. Now, for the awardees for the both semesters, starting off with Professor Jason L. Abrera, Professor Mary Ann L. Anstano, Professor Maria Cristina Balderrama, Professor Sheila B. Desuyo, Professor Riza L. Garcia, Dr. Julie Ann M. Lustan, Professor Geneva M. Nario Liagas, Professor Gemma A. Sarte, and Dr. Dimson M. Rivero. And requesting everyone for a photo opportunity for the awardees of the Outstanding Faculty for academic year 2024 to 2026. Once again, congratulations. This is a representation that CBEM really go beyond the best. And I hope all of our awardees are ready for the second phase of the awarding ceremonies. Thank you so much.
Again, let's give them a big round of applause to our outstanding faculty in teaching effectiveness for the academic year 2024 to 2025 and 2025 to 2026. We thank you for your continuous efforts in helping our students grow, develop, and go beyond the best. Moving forward to our ceremony, the awarding of Dean's Citation Awards.
We now present our Dean's Citation Award awardees, starting off with our outstanding BU-CBEM athletes. To join us in the awarding, we'd like to call on our keynote speaker, Mr. Clint John B. Marcoso, our VPAA, Dr. Maria Julieta B. Boris, our University Registrar, Mr. Phil V. Morano, our Associate Dean, Dr. Julie Ann M. Lustan, our College Dean, Dr. Dimson M. Rivero, Professor Gemma A. Sarte, together with the department chairpersons. Our outstanding BU-CBEM athletes for this academic year who earned their well-deserved place on the podium. Certificate reads, the Bicol University College of Business, Economics, and Management proudly awards Rojas Tricia May O, Granadillos Daniela S, and Ricafranca Antoinette A. Thank you so much.
We now turn to the top 10 exceptional individuals who demonstrated academic excellence and continue to thrive in their scholarly pursuits up to the present.
Without further ado, we call on our top 10 BU-CBEM Scholarship awardees. Starting off, Marciales Christine L.
Velasco Mavel R.
Niebres Regine B.
Lorando Eunice Joyce S.
Taquilid Stephen Michael A.
Sadeste Jana Angela C.
Otilia Nika O.
Operiano Christine.
Roquid Maxime E.
And lastly, Solomon Divine B.
These are our top 10 BUCBM Scholarship awardees.
Please give them a warm round of applause. At this juncture, Leadership Award is hereby given to the college-based organization's presidents.
It is an honor to present a leadership award to the presidents of each BUCBM college-based organizations.
First, the president of JPIA, David Rinst A. Di Maano.
Kyle Emil Esparago from Young Entrepreneur Society.
VJ D. Porsalia, president of BU Economic Society.
Francine Faith V. Año Nuevo, the Junior Financial Executives.
Christian R. Moseda from Beiji Map BU.
Julius Christian C. Cotara from Junior Institute of Management.
Stephen Michael A. Taquilid, president of Marketing Management.
James E. Gladys Amira Bobiles from Operations Management.
Eliza Nina L. Arao, president of Microfinance.
John Paul C. Alcazar, the president of BUCBM SAGE.
Jester M. Mendoza, president of Zebem NSTP Biunihan.
Miko Angelo G. Pacamara, the BUCBM RCY president.
Crisal Marie M. Nieto, Sibem Maneuvers.
Jehan Rose A. Harme, president, the Invictants.
And John Eric B. Blazo, president of LLR Reforma. These students, leaders, have successfully led their respective organizations with wisdom, progressive leadership, collaborative service, and distinctive character. So let's give them a big round of applause.
And now, to the outgoing College Student Council officers for the academic year 2025-2026.
Starting off with our representatives. First, John Marie R. Alamuin. Ira Fiona Marie Federio. Edward S. Marceliana. Kyla May G. Nava. Micaela Angela B. Pupa. Giro G. Kibral. Vincent Lance Samson. Edmond P. Vista.
And the CSC PIO, J.C. Riula. The CSC Business Manager, Jethro Inigo A. Bitudio. CSC Auditor, Mark Glenn R. Barba. CSC Treasurer, Amanda May D. Flores. CSC Secretary, Catherine I. Burse. CSC Vice President, Carl Christian M. Balyaran. And the CSC President, Roger B. De La Torre.
Our heartfelt gratitude goes to these College Student Council officers who selflessly dedicated their time, effort, and resources for the whole BUCBM community.
Once again, to our outgoing College Student Council officers, congratulations at maraming salamat po. At this juncture, service awards are given to our college-based organization officers for academic year 2025-2026 who have genuinely served their purpose as officers.
Daniela M. Maravillo of MFSO.
Joshua Osila of JP MAP.
Christine Joy El Nieva of BUCBM RCY.
Rafael Pura of OMC.
Kirsten E. Villanueva of JIM.
Axel Shane Cablayan of YES.
Diana Nicole P. Mortega of JPIA.
Aleja Joyce Velasco of ECOSOC,
Patricia Ladimo of Ibeo GMA.
Louis J. Labong of PUCBEM Sage,
Aaron Justin Aquino of Sibam Maneuvers.
Harry B. Longhas of BU Nihan NSDP,
Chris Evans V. Rotamala of J Phoenix.
Dominic Alicia Nick Dow of LL La Reforma,
And Gwyneth G. Naz of The Invictans.
To our awardees, congratulations.
Again, thank you very much for your service. Proceeding to our college publication and editorial board.
Service award is given to the Appraiser Online officers for the academic year 2025-2026.
Giovanni Ken A. Digo, Editor-in-Chief.
Honoline Año Nuevo, Associate Editor.
Ray Cedric B. Berza, Managing Editor.
Erica Crisel T. Esperas, Features Editor.
Naomi Hannah Joy Zanin, News Editor.
Rhea Lynn Joy P. Canicio, Literary Editor.
Aliyah Lara Ricardo, Sports Editor.
Kimberly C. Ibanez, Development Communications Editor.
Kizzy Jane Raimundo, Chief Cartoonist.
Shira May S. Napoles, Chief Layout Artist.
Maria Andrea N. Aguilar, Chief Photojournalist.
Shane Ashley Quinones, Online Content Editor.
And Irene Armero, Online Content Editor.
For our staffers, we have Aldrian Summer Naag,
Samara Kilian.
Desiree Amber Lanuza,
Gwyneth Sapnay.
Mark Angelo Dominguez,
Mark Joseph Lodana.
John Ivan Razonable,
Janielle Kate Jacob.
Daniel Ann Altea,
And Cassandra Daniel Mendiola.
Congratulations to our The Appraiser Online.
Now, a certificate of recognition will also be given to our winners in national, regional, and local level competitions. To our dear faculties, please remain on stage. For the national level, Mark Angelo Dominguez, second place, Bonjour's 11th Journalism Summit News Writing Competition.
Angel Micah Narvaez, Dave Wesley Mostoles, Dan Errol David, Marian Jana Balderrama, national finalist of HSBC Philippines Business Case Competition. Congratulations. We have the next award, which is the Punong Bayan and Araulio Grant Thornton Academic and Leadership Excellence Awards. First, we have Mr. John Andrew G. Guban, Sofia Kaika A. Micalier, Erica May T. Leona, Jones Clarence M. Zeped, Diego Lorenzo J. Datar, Carl Ivan G. Pupa, Hiro Orenolayan, Krista Marinette D. Morata, Fidelity Mai Morante, and Jude L. Paglinawan.
Once again, let us celebrate their achievements and efforts. A warm round of applause should be given to all of our awardees. And the next award is given to our very talented Sibam Maneuvers. Please proceed to the stage.
Sibem Maneuvers is the only and the officially accredited dance group in our college, which is the Bicol University College of Business, Economics, and Management, growing strong for their second year of being officially accredited as one of the college-based organization. CBEM Maneuvers is one of the responsible for performing in several events of the notable events both in our college and our university. Once again, let us give them a big round of applause, please.
At this juncture, we now proceed to the awarding of our academic achievers. May we call on the chairpersons of each department for Accountancy Department, Professor Ray Joseph Rebulblado, Entrepreneurship Department, Dr. Nolan G. Belaro, Economics Department, Professor Edna Mata, Business Administration Department, Dr. Janet G. Poha, Dr. Julianne M. Lustan, and our Associate Dean, and our Dean, Dimson M. Rivero.
Also to be added, we are requesting 2 of the faculties from the Department of Bachelor of Science in Accountancy. Requesting in front, Professor Analiza M. Pabilona and Professor Maria Cristina Balderrama. And also Professor Dr. Mark Francis Nang. From the Accountancy Department.
We begin with the Dean's Lister for the first semester of academic year 2025 to 2026 and President's Lister for second semester of academic year 2024 to 2025 under the Accountancy Department. Second year, Acabado Karil Suzanne R. Aquino Sofia Simone N. Belangel Darlene Angel B. Bien Loie B. Buena Marigel Rosel G. Carmen Angel Ann E. Sardenia Jessa May L. and Lacamiento Aliana Andrea M.
Para medyo malakas, iilan.
Naka lang. Lowenko Sofia Joy C. Lopez Angela B. Maranya Mariel Tony R. Mohal Yowin K. T. Morada Francia Victoria T. Panique Shane Avon B. Ragos Christine Mary L. Sarusal Joji Sofia R. Sedan Alea Faith L. Tianela Janine M. and Uy Blue H.
Moving forward to our consecutive Dean's Listers for 2 semesters. Second year, Abainza Zarina N. Abilionar George Aaron P. Alamares Kim Emmanuel P. Balya Cassandra B. Centino Pete Anton R. Morada Eman Juster C. Morga Nika M. Repolyosa Eliza A. Reyes Maria Venice F. Santander Jillian May G. Santo Domingo Vien May Eliza R. Torres Mariel Antoinette R.
Last minute changes daw, sabi ni 7 na lang daw.
7 na lang talaga.
Yes. Tapos di ba ka mag-picture? Tuloy-tuloy yung tawag. After picture, go na.
Third year, Valderrama Marian Jana L. Bermas Ayla B. David Dana Eril R. L. Ariel B. Legazpi Mark Jerome N. Manja Jennifer L. Mata John Alvir A.
At this juncture,
Mortega Diana Nicole P. Tejero Kiona Claire C. Ursal Marian Janelle G.
At this juncture, we proceed with our Dean's Lister for the second semester of academic year 2024-2025. Second year, Abiliano Janine May B. Año Nuevo Camille Ann S. Bahamundi Iris Rowan I. Balingasa Angela Mariel T. Bareda Zen Angel Louis L. Benitez Catalin A. Brisha Sandy Yan M. Apa. Colyamar Jobert A. Costo Hannah Jane S. De Guzman Shana Jane V. Esperas Erica Crisel T. Faraon Nandrien D. Fidelson Linden K. E. Flores Luis Altea Michelle O. Layosa Medi G. Mainza Chanel Nafiza B. Margarita Andre L. Melgar James Harold L. Nacario Nakisha R. Pepinas Mara Clarice R. Plantado Zore May L. Pongan Julia Carmela Nina B. Rabe Mary Angela D. Retuya Micah Ella D. Rosales Ashley Willen E. Trijo Cristina Isabel T. Abelinde Noel Keja D. Acapulco Kyla Rain Luis R. Paldo Hannah Rica P.
Dean's Lister for first semester. First year, Abainza James Kyle A. Ago Leamor C. Andes John Ravier B. Arjona Ayla Denise G. Arrogante Ezekiel F. Ascanio Maria Patricia May L. Bagajong Aliyah B. Balabis Sean Gabriel J. Baloloy Angel B. Bailon Sean Felix C. Belando Rhea May B. Bergonio Marcos Brion B. Kalupit Van Angeli C. Clutario Mariel M. Coral Arya B. Danao Julia Jane L. Detoito Denise T. Docog Camille Ann B. Doliente Maria Salvacion N. Geraldino Charisse G. Golgota Dambi. Golyoso Rudmar John M. Ledesma Gianna Leite. Laurel Duke Justin P. Lique Suzanne G. Lia Mazares Sandy P. Lianeta Clarissa B. Liegado Andre A. Lianareza Snell John M. Lucania Janine L. Manansala Juan Miguel N. Marangit Sohayben T. Marmol Ashley D. Mendaza Jenrich C. Mendoza Luisa Marie B. Nermal Julia L. Rastrullo Marian C. Rebolanan Jamila Fiona R. Reyes Patricia D. Reyes Judith M. Sabater Nathaniel M. Sacris Stephanie Richie E. Serrano Ashley D. Sodela Von Joseph A. Tagaret Vera R. Talde Akira Z. Torrecampo Jules Marie A. Second year, Buena Charmy L. Garcia Joanna Beth P. Lanuzo Elixa Nicole D. Third year, Acosta Chrissy Mariel Yvonne S. Atendido Pocholo Kith D. Balingasal John Lloyd U. Barcoma Patrick J. A. Bueno Chadwick B. Celedonio John Felipe M. Conda Micaela M. Cuerdo Jimin Clyde Melvin M. Dimaano David Rinst A. Jolata Rachel Ann D. Espinas Jasmine Mary V. Gracilia Maria Isabel G. Jacob Jacob M. Liegado Aliyah Gabriel M. Lucido Melgery Faye H. Lunas Shane C. Pancho Patrick G. Patulot Antoinette B. Villanueva Micaela Marie C. Fourth year, Austero Eunice A. Banyes Tanya Isabel A. Batalier Hazel B. Buena Angelica N. Burse Rose Vanessa L. Diaz Lance Matthew P. Duran Jude Andre P. Flores Amanda May D. Herona Christian Jofer G. Lucanias Diana Rose B. Paglinawan Jude L. and Ricafort Riza J.
Congratulations to the awardees from the Bachelor of Science in Accountancy. Let us give them a big hand, please. And now, moving forward, we now award our academic achievers from the Economics Department.
We begin with the Dean's Lister for the first semester of academic year 2025-2026 and President's Lister for second semester of academic year 2024 to 2025 under the Economics Department. Dean's Lister and President's Lister, fourth year, Garcia Sylvia Chriselle B. Herani Mauri May L. Orque Aliana M. Ricario Emily N. President's Lister and Dean's Lister, second year, Alimuin Jan Marie R. Barliso Mika Lian M. Malto Ashley Myrene L. Makinyana John Renan R. Punzalan Clarence M. Rosales Mary Rose F. Third year, Aguilar Maria Andrea N. Asiado LCQ. Balayan Lilibet B. Berhuega Diana Marie C. Buen Angeline R. Bultron Maria Claire D. Canoza Jean M. Corporal Christian Amanda L. De Leon Francine Luisa O. De Vera Lyric Joshua N. De Duque Gian Lemuel D. De la Cruz Denise Marie A. Digo Giovanni Ken A. Ebrada Erica Jasmine M. Eduarte Alia Villani B. Endaya Denbert Joyces M. Gabata Reza A. Gabito Patrick Gerard A. Lumabi Rema D. Mengorio Eliza M. Naz Gwyneth G. Olatan Juna Lorraine D. Pancho Stephanie Joyce L. Porcalia VJ D. Puyo Daniel Ann A. Regondola Ken Eldrick C. Sarda Ray Gregory R. Saison Lawrence A. Tabug Jonas T. Tayoto Lay Xander M. And for 4th year, Velasco Aleja Joyce I.
Dean's Lister for 2 consecutive semesters. 3rd year, Aguilar Chrissy Cualen N. Alminio John Mark V. Año Nuevo Hanilin B. Anzano Kyle Nicole L. Aringo Mary Faith. Ariola Princess Ann L. Astillero Shedrea Lynn B. Ativo Ella Gwyneth L. Atos Ronalay A. Balderrama Irish B. Berjuegas Cyril Y. Blaser Mary Catherine T. Bomediano Isel Rayan B. Calyo Clara Gwen Hunema B. Calnir Judy Ann L. Freyo Jeo Angelo E. Herrera Micah Ella C. Jacob Hanel Kate A. Liaguno Tricia Abigail B. Liamazares Janine P. Lieva Kyla A. Lorbes Mary Claire V. Luzardo Rhea Lynn. Manyo Joshua Isaac L. Mora Carl A. Morada Micaela L. Morta Bianca Lorraine M. Napay Maria Rona G. Novella Melrose G. Nuda Cristel Noreen L. Perez Clarice May S. Ramirez Jasmine G. Salomon Diane B. Vargas Siza Marie N. Velasco Valerie May M. Verano Aliyah F. For 4th year, Aguilar John Paul L. Azupardo Jason B. Barcelona Maureen M. Baita Judy Antoinette B. Bunguto Angeline B. Brioso Alvin M. Conejos Axel Jude A. Empleo Shane D. Aslier Maria Annalyn H. Lorena Christian Keith M. Monreal Kenchi R. Morada Juan Claire B. Naz Angela N. Panen Kimberly O. And Quinones Shane Ashley J.
Dean's Lister for 2nd semester, AY 2024 to 2025. 3rd year, Balanlayos ni Reza A. De Belen John Vic F. Morano Ramon Christopher M. Olimpo Shan Len A. 4th year, Piñon Maria Kirsty Kate Q. Kipid Juliana Fiona B. Dean's Lister for 1st semester, academic year 2025 to 2026. 1st year, Alama Zenia R. Arhanda Joel Jr. C. Baksal Crizel M. Barcela Sheila Marie B. Belian Villan Indira C. Kabug Rogelio Carlo A. Joaquino Danica E. Ekal Tricia May A. Jeronimo Glad Estefan N. Hara Maris Jasmine H. Lakibal Ella Trisha R. Leona Precious Elia P. Miraz Alisa Faye D. Morada Clarence A. Napay David V. Second year, Belian Christine Luis S. Bonaobra Rudy Dante Jr. L. Brimon Angel A. Ibanez Kimberly C. Labao Gianna Nicole A. Llamoso Jamaica Shane N. Lobete Angela D. Mar Vince Jelly C. Mihes Krisha M. Milalios Mark Owen N. Mimay Earl Joshua B. Mirasol April Jane B. Morin Rafael Sid C. Nunez John Carlo N. Vicente Jillian Joy M. For third year, Makadat Adeline Joy T. And for fourth year, Agriba Jasmine E. Altizon Arlene A. Armero Irene D. Bonaobra K. M. Broquesa Jana P. Kabilin Juliana Cristel A. Calacar Edward R. Calya Carlo Rafael P. Caurel Lovely E. Eduarda Joanne Ruela B. Marinda Leanne D. Mata Rosella A. Mazo Maria Angeline E. Mejeno Daphne Marie M. Oliver Ara Joyce B. Oloteo Rowena M. Portugal Jamela Christine P. Prieto Jesus Ray F. Raimundo Crizzy Jane A. Salian Claire N. Sanchez Sandy Jr. D. and Vergara Adrian N.
Next up, we proceed to the awarding of our academic achievers from the Entrepreneurship Department.
Dean's Lister and President's Lister. Second year, Calamucha Ella May S. Esquivel Jillian A. Verdaflor Teresa D. Third year, Nebres Samantha Corinne C. with higher honors, certificate in entrepreneurial technology. Fourth year, Agudo Maria Cristina A. with high honors, associate diploma in enterprise development. Alzaga Hester Camille M. with higher honors, associate diploma in enterprise development. Andrade Fersi Joy A. with high honors, associate diploma in enterprise development. Apo Louis Francesca C. with high honors, associate diploma in enterprise development. Apuli Misi B. with high honors, associate diploma in enterprise development. Aranas Christian Jesse B. with high honors, associate diploma in enterprise development. Arce Ashlyn Shane B. with higher honors, associate diploma in enterprise development. Balonso Michael Louise C. with higher honors, associate diploma in enterprise development. Baryon Richmond R. with high honors, associate diploma in enterprise development. Etchaluce Althea Shane N. with high honors, associate diploma in enterprise development. Hagad Cholo D. with higher honors, associate diploma in enterprise development. Leona Charles James L. with high honors, associate diploma in enterprise development. Maravillas Nicole Marie J. with high honors, associate diploma in enterprise development. Marchand Diana Rose L. with high honors, associate diploma in enterprise development. Masarate Clarissa E. with higher honors, associate diploma in enterprise development. Mendoza Reyes C. with high honors, associate diploma in enterprise development. Obogne Ira A. with high honors, associate diploma in enterprise development. Olaguera Clarice P. with high honors, associate diploma in enterprise development. Presbytero Angel O. with high honors, associate diploma in enterprise development. Razo Aryan N. with high honors, Associate Diploma in Enterprise Development. Saligumba Christian O. with high honors, Associate Diploma in Enterprise Development. Tolosa Giselle L. with higher honors, Associate Diploma in Enterprise Development. Velarde Rona V. M. with higher honors, Associate Diploma in Enterprise Development.
Kuya, palakas mo na sa Ikaw nag-control?
President's Lister and Dean's Lister for the first semester of academic year 2025 to 2026 and second semester AY 2024-2025. Second year, Apuyan Rona E. Asiado Kiana May A. Barrios Chantal Victoria. Boras K.M. Borser Raven C. Dasilio Jashly Yana Kim S. Ibarle John Neo L. Jacob Angelica R. Hasulin Jarve Yancy M. Jimenez Diana Jane E. Leona Christine May L. Yanes Reka May C. Luz Bien Marie R. Magtibay Ana Rizel Q. Meneses Jessie Nadine A. Morado Jessa Dashley D. Nacido Ira Jane M. Palermo Kyla May O. Perez Marlene V. Ranido Danica N. Rodolfo Princess Melody A. Rosales Joyce Angie M. Rosero Priscilla T. Sinya Mary Queen V. Toledo Rancine May A. Third year, Alipar Jetro C. with higher honors, certificate in entrepreneurial technology. Icardo Christine P. with high honors, certificate in entrepreneurial technology. Icardo Daniela Angel B. with high honors, certificate in entrepreneurial technology. Balanes Stephanie Nicole R. with higher honors, certificate in entrepreneurial technology. Borjal Rachel Andy with higher honors, certificate in entrepreneurial technology. Buendia Jelay May C. with higher honors, certificate in entrepreneurial technology. Cadawas Ann Febrel M. with higher honors, certificate in entrepreneurial technology. Canyon John Edward M. with higher honors, certificate in entrepreneurial technology. Cervantes Shanti L. with high honors, certificate in entrepreneurial technology. De Luna Mia France P. with high honors, certificate in entrepreneurial technology. De Vera Francis May B. with higher honors, certificate in entrepreneurial technology. De Humo Maria Isel Joy A. with higher honors, certificate in entrepreneurial technology. De Lima Janice M. Federio Ira Fiona Marie C. with high honors, certificate in entrepreneurial technology. Gallardo Robert D. with higher honors, certificate in entrepreneurial technology. Ibasco Elvie May B. with high honors, certificate in entrepreneurial technology. Ignacio Andrea Paula M. with high honors, certificate in entrepreneurial technology. Labong Louis J.Q. with higher honors, certificate in entrepreneurial technology. Labriaga Camille Nicole M. with high honors, certificate in entrepreneurial technology. Lagco Lance Jomery J. with higher honors, certificate in entrepreneurial technology. Lodana Mark Joseph with higher honors, certificate in entrepreneurial technology. Longasa Donna May N. with higher honors, certificate in entrepreneurial technology. Loria Lester A. with higher honors, Certificate in Entrepreneurial Technology. Mabal Samaria R. with higher honors, Certificate in Entrepreneurial Technology. Miranda Venus A. with high honors, Certificate in Entrepreneurial Technology. Obrique Alona Jade M. with higher honors, Certificate in Entrepreneurial Technology. Usurman Darlene May O. with higher honors, Certificate in Entrepreneurial Technology. Pasqua Missy P. with high honors, Certificate in Entrepreneurial Technology. Peñaflor Ana Sheree P. with high honors, Certificate in Entrepreneurial Technology. Perez Rex Steve A. with high honors, Certificate in Entrepreneurial Technology. Pupa Micaela Angela B. with high honors, Certificate in Entrepreneurial Technology. Revilla Samantha Marie C. with higher honors, Certificate in Entrepreneurial Technology. Solano Casey M. with high honors, Certificate in Entrepreneurial Technology. And Villamor John Chris P. with higher honors, Certificate in Entrepreneurial Technology. For fourth year, Acerado Claudine D. with high honors, Associate Diploma in Enterprise Development. Albia Julian Catherine D. with high honors, Associate Diploma in Enterprise Development. Boncodine Micah Camille P. with high honors, Associate Diploma in Enterprise Development. Carrascal Mary Christine L. with high honors, Associate Diploma in Enterprise Development. Dominguez Migo A. with high honors, Associate Diploma in Enterprise Development. Nilo Yasamin B. with high honors, Associate Diploma in Enterprise Development. Gomez Maria Carmela M. with high honors, Associate Diploma in Enterprise Development. Gumba Janelle Ann M. with high honors, Associate Diploma in Enterprise Development. Mandrilia Leslie B. with high honors, Associate Diploma in Enterprise Development. And Mirandela Angelina L.
Dean's Lister for 2 consecutive semesters. Second year, Acabado Daniel Flor B. Alaurin Joanna Marie N. Asaituno Zeus Heaven R. Baldo Francine Micaela M. Banyas Bernadette Q. Batagon Shane L. Hernandez Gabriel M. Magro Ira Lorraine L. Mangampo Lynn Ann M. Miliete Angelica L. Perez Marvel V. Third year, Ariola Jolene Venice A. with high honors, Certificate in Entrepreneurial Technology. Avisado Mary Gabriel B. with high honors, Certificate in Entrepreneurial Technology. Baldivino Hilary Kate L. with high honors, Certificate in Entrepreneurial Technology. Balingasa Christina Cassandra D. with high honors, Certificate in Entrepreneurial Technology. Gutierrez Maria Teresa G. with high honors, Certificate in Entrepreneurial Technology. Hamor Chrissy Fiel H. with high honors, Certificate in Entrepreneurial Technology. Herrera Jovi Crystal S. with high honors, Certificate in Entrepreneurial Technology. Lopez John Martin D. with high honors, Certificate in Entrepreneurial Technology. Moraleda Elmar G. with high honors, Certificate in Entrepreneurial Technology. Nashanseno Mark Frederick N. with high honors, Certificate in Entrepreneurial Technology, Pacamara Miko Angelo G. With high honors, Certificate in Entrepreneurial Technology, Pautan Rogeline E. With higher honors, Certificate in Entrepreneurial Technology, Revale Lex Harvey B. With high honors, Certificate in Entrepreneurial Technology, Rhonda Moira Isa Hill T. With high honors, Certificate in Entrepreneurial Technology, Samson Vincent Lance B. With high honors, Certificate in Entrepreneurial Technology, Vargas Jolani A. With high honors, Certificate in Entrepreneurial Technology. Fourth year, Balderrama Kinsha B. Pabon Jessica A. With high honors, Associate Diploma in Enterprise Development. Dean's Lister for second semester, academic year 2024-2025. Second year, Lumunsod Eliza S. Third year, Murillo Dandy C. Pedres Albert M. With high honors, Certificate in Entrepreneurial Technology. Fourth year, Yosala Joshua Cedric O. Dean's Lister for first semester, academic year 2025-2026. First year, Alpajaro Alexa S. Arce Jamaica O. Arsueño Jade P. Ate Nico M. Atun John David A. Avignon Wayne Xander A. Azupardo Cyril Ann B. Balila Catherine M. Balmaceda Shane L. Besmonte Francine May A. Briobo Nicole A. Buffete Gwen Beyonce. Cardanio Marian Angel C. Castello Ashlyn Hope M. Cornelio Eunice L. De Ocampo Charles Alexander A. De la Cruz Roman Aldrich C. Deliosa Riza May O. Diesta Roxanne N. Doroliat Clarice L. Espedido Ira May F. Galero Carlene V. Guades Paul Julius. Gubot Joshua B. Giriba Prince Neil B. Lastrella Angela Faith D. Latigay Beatriz L. Makasinag Krista Angela M. Maceda Madeline Joy M. Mahadillas Esja May B. Manalo Hannah Jane B. Manata Ivy U. Masarate Angel Lynn L. Montalban Irish Angel M. Montero Gavin Aaron A. Moralejo Benher John L. Nacional Venice C. Narvaez Paulo I. Nocete Maria Ivy Nicole D. Non Sarah May N. Oshones Leanne James M. Payonga Joshua O. Pedragosa John Daniel G. Pedraheta Nicole A. Robles Kent Carlos N. Salazar Mark CJR. Samson Jasmine A. Sinia Jasmine B. Toledo Mark Justin M. Vergara Catherine Jade C. Villanueva Cassie L. Second year, Labalan Kevin H. Medjavillo Roland Amaro R. And Nanyo Sean Andre D. Third year, Barcoma Alisa May L. Buergo Hiel Marie E. Campillos John Marco A. Escorel Francis Luis A. Garcera Nino Miguel D. Manata Pauline U. Matosinos Arl Jovel T. Medjavillo Heaven Lake. Montreal Chris James N. Noble Justine Rain D. Ormilio Shane C. And Oshal Kayla Marie M.
The following students from the Entrepreneurship Department who still receiving their awards. At this point, let us also celebrate our honorees from the Ladderized program for their outstanding academic performances.
Third year, Acuna Ralph Luis D. with high honor, certificate in entrepreneurial technology. Avila Mea Shane L. with higher honors, certificate in entrepreneurial technology. Caballero Zyron A. with high honors, certificate in entrepreneurial technology. Esparado Kyle Emil E. with higher honors, certificate in entrepreneurial technology. Mangapo Sharon L. with higher honors, certificate in entrepreneurial technology. Monterde Janelle D. with higher honors, certificate in entrepreneurial technology. Lopez Sofia Isabel L. with high honors, certificate in entrepreneurial technology. Punzalan Emmanuel Gerard M. with higher honors, certificate in entrepreneurial technology. Rodrigueza Jamil Atasha T. with higher honors, certificate in entrepreneurial technology. Saminiano Rhea Gwinnett B. with higher honors, certificate in entrepreneurial technology. Wait lang. Fourth year, Abion Claudine B. with high honors, associate diploma in enterprise development. Agnote Jamaica M. with high honors, associate diploma in enterprise development. Apuli Nicole B. with high honors, associate diploma in enterprise development. Arimado Sarah May with higher honors, associate diploma in enterprise development. Aristoki Kat Eloise B. with high honors, associate diploma in enterprise development. Atento Erica Claire N. with high honors, associate diploma in enterprise development. Bondal John Kenneth B. with higher honors, associate diploma in enterprise development. Burse Aliza M. with high honors, associate diploma in enterprise development. Caños Cyril C. with high honors, associate diploma in enterprise development. Katarungan Janine O. with high honors, associate diploma in enterprise development.
And now, 3 departments done from the BS Accountancy, BS Economics, and BS Entrepreneurship, plus the Ladderized program. Now, we'll be having the awardees from the Bachelor of Science in Business Administration. Calling one additional faculty for the BSBA for the awardings. Starting off from the Financial Management.
Dean's Lister and President's Lister. Second year, Bellarmino Christine Shane B. Bontile Sarah Jane P. Cañada Jabez Stair Chad C. Halig Alisa Ashley A. Jose Winslet Sydney Q. Madrona Sofia Nicole N. Mijares Angeli Maurice A. Miserio Francen B. Sumawang Ella Joy B. Valenzuela Anika A. President's Lister and Dean's Lister. Third year, Alarcon Sarah Marie A. Aranya Jessa May L. Barquilla John Carlo L. Bonacqua Stephanie Joan C. Bongkay Syra L. Botalon, John Carl M. Del Mundo, Ryan P. Hervas, Gabriel Olaine P. Gagni, Shannon Grace C. Groyon, Jericho O. Lorca, Natalie P. Mando, Mary May L. Menjola, Nicole Angela B. Miranda, Jeremy M. Rodriguez, Kyla Faye C. Rotamola, Chris Evan V. Trillias, Trisha May D. Fourth year, Balbin Cecile O. Barcelon, Angelica B. Fajardo, Hannah Valerie M. Lopo, Ian James J. Militante, Herme Jose G. Nocos, J. Ian Carlo A.
Dean's Lister for 2 consecutive semesters. Second year, Adivino Rhea M. Buela Mar Andrian G. Delavine Angela Marie A. Domasig Julia L. Esurenya Mark Lawrence S. Nabor Maricar B. Repuyan Dean Kirsten C. Third year, Calderon Mary Diana N. Noga Stephanie May C. Fourth year, Bonacqua Bradley Vance D. De La Peña Fiona May R. De Jucos J. M. and Guevara Dennis Vancine B. Dean's Lister for second semester, AY 2024 to 2025. Third year, Altarejos Hyacinth Jade M. Dalus Angeline M. Leopardas Denmark Hill C. Dean's Lister for first semester, AY 2025 to 2026. First year, Ajero Kate M. Ate Angeli Faye M. Batalier Eliza D. Borromeo Roy Christian L. De Los Reyes Altea Denise R. Galvez Jennifer M. Hije Larissa S. Lasit Sonsi A. Lianeta Rhea May C. Lorente Joshua V. Kidor Chris Daryl G. Radores Rolando Marion K. Rivero Samantha L. Villanueva Darien Saika M. Yu Lian Jade L. Second year, Belyesa Gino M. Berinya Sarah J. Bigay Francis Marian B. Borigas Julie Jane P. Kadag Maria Estella A. Drio Sachi Zavera L. Mata Nicole L. Melehor Sean Lester V. Mondragon Jobel L. Olimpa Ethan M. Tan Raisa J. Third year, Bendesio Micaela C. Capile Ruth Isabel F. Pantoja Ina Darlene R. And for fourth year, Fordela Nicole F. Palcon Iris Kylie the second G.
And next, we have our awardees from the Human Resource Management.
Dean's Lister and President's Lister. Second year, Alcantara Honey Len R. Ilagan Andrea Cesar A. Third year, Aliven Sean Andre M. Marino Mariniel Shela G. Naive Sherry April M. Olavario Ira O. Santillan Christina A. Tan Mitch Micaela V. Veloso Aryan M. Fourth year, Monteo Kathleen F. President's Lister and Dean's Lister. Second year, Mostoles Dave Wesley N. Third year, Baranda Jeanette Nina B. Bugayon Shireel Anti. Llorando Luis Candice S. Mendez Andrea Z. Menjola Cassandra Danielle N. Peninoy Janice A. Fourth year, Cortez Christine A. Delgado Aljean P. Orbista Janver S. Dean's Lister for 2 consecutive semesters. Second year, Beludo Jennifer M. Third year, Amor Arabella D. Barrios Nerissa B. Bautista Jalaica Floyd G. Cipriano Christine Camille N. De la Cruz Charmaine D. Hernandez Shamel Hart C. Liasos Micaela Jasmine M. Maceda Christian R. Milyapre Kate Chester. Miliana Danica M. Pertez Casey A. Fourth year, Encisa Jobert King S. Ranyosa Brian N. Dean's Lister for second semester, academic year 2024-2025. Second year, Arcos Kian Kath J. Third year, Miranda June A. Osha John Benedict M. Perez Kyla T. Dean's Lister for first semester, academic year 2025-2026. First year, Alimpuyo Nicole Alvarado Diane L. Amaranto Mark Daniel M. Apuli John Derek B. Apuyan Ira Chloe O. Balino Eldrick B. Bermundo Wenelin B. Bongat Kyle Benjamin B. Bongay Blessed Melanie B. Briones Gladys Nicole L. Kabangan Charm M. Kaindoy Hanika Raven R. De la Cruz Zenny L. Fraga Shane F. Labanda Yara A. Lital Jessalyn D. Liaguno Mark Clarence M. Lopez Maria Sofia Crisel M. Malabanan Danicel L. Manlangit Pauline T. Napiri Eileen Jane T. Ondevilla Shireen N. Perez Joven J. Pototan Lorraine May L. Rosalita Angelica R. Simon David Charles A. Sumpay Lesel Ann A. C. Maria Shira R. Torres John Dave C. Triñanes Princess Madel O. Villaraza April Joy A. Second year, Liamera Melieth M. Marcera Kissy A. Mendones Camila Shane B. Realingo Oriel V. Saluma Adriano III B. Solomon Melody B. Totor Regine R. Villamer Mary Joy M. Third year, Makasinag Christian L.
Okay na?
From the land of Matibayon of the JP Map, BSBA HRM now, and coming on the stage is the BSBA Junior Initiative Management, the management students.
President's Lister and Dean's Lister. Second year, Revoltar Precious Raquel M. Third year, Patriarca Chesa May B. Fourth year, Algarne Jackie T. Boras Samantha M. Caranceja Marinel L. Yanderal Christina Angelica. Magdaraog Dana L. Dean's Lister and President's Lister. Second year, Anyon Kyle Angeline Z. Buena Obra Angela C. Kyle Nadine Alexis B. Hanoras Alonso Zyrel B. Hareno Ayana Judel D. Lopez Naomi Jillian A. Marilao Shara May L. Masaga Kristen L. Mayor John Kenneth B. Mendoza Mia Cristela B. Pongan Jonna May B. Senes Melanie S. Third year, Bohol Jasmine S. Cristo Pauline B. Dimaano Isabel A. Yovido Melissa D. Miranda Pauline P. Nabor Mary Margaret V. Okmer Irish Claire. Fourth year, Areta Luis Mulan R. Harmed Jehan Rose A. Dean's Lister for 2 consecutive semesters. Second year, Alamo Izzy R. Bailon Amira Safia A. Bandola Neil Christian B. Barcebal Jed Stephanie M. Bebis Camille Joy L. Belen Kimberly A. Beria Angela May A. Campillos Jeanette Marie G. Dimalanta Patricia May B. Domanais Janelle N. Donaire Jinky Clarice B. Felipe Ashley Glynis T. Francisco Kier C. Ibana Angela M. Lofamia Samantha Grace M. Lopez Bianca T. Marhalino Maria Samantha B. Mayor Corinne Jasmine B. Payumo Mark Kenneth A. For third year, Bahamundi Jezreel Joy N. Banta Aldin Marie L. Borlagdatan Ken M. Marbella Justin Mike A. For fourth year, Azares Diana Rose B. Graido Nadine G. Yaguno Andrea B. Dean's Lister for second semester, academic year 2024 to 2025. Second year, Montales Kayana Crystal M. Rosales Dayan P. Velasco Karen Danielle N. For third year, Abiliano Jeffrey Kester B. Leon Carla Nicole M. Espeleta Angel M. Yave Dali Chris B. Lopez Zaira Alexa L. Moran Kyrel Keja D. Nasayaw Aryan Celine B. Nebres Gwyneth Nicole N. Notario Rose Ann M. Nunez Jamaica B. Noilan Bethel Faith N. Padua Chrisma Joy B. Paraiso Joyce Frances M. Raton Tricia May B. Riaso Francine M. Regaspi Ashley Jane B. And Tamayo Jerby John K.
Dean's Lister for first semester academic year 2025-2026. First year, Andaya Marisol M. Aringo Rico L. Balala Marivic M. Beleran Christian Japper N. Beria Gabriel Michael M. Kamata Jessa May B. Kanyada Kenz Jayla B. Clemente Mystic Cassandra Denise. Espinilla Manilin N. Ignacio Maini A. Los Entales John Joseph L. Losigro Joanna M. Mayor Julia M. Ocampo Maria Luisa L. Ortonio Chelsea Nicole O. Regondola Gemma Joyce M. Respicio Michael J. A. Ribay John Travis M. Ricarte Micaela R. Sapnay Gwyneth G. Sedanto Sofia Margaret L. Talagtag Maria Teresa M. Second year, Abion Mary Joy D. Apodaca John Lambert B. Barba Najma Dane B. Bonancia Cielo C. Cordova Yasmin B. De Los Santos Frances P. Dones Dina Ashlyn R. Friars Maria Roelyn E. Lola Jasmine N. Lorelia Kathleen Ann A. Magaliano Angeline M. Magdaraog Lovely M. Mahadas Danica Alia A. Miliana Chloe Isabel B. Mondragon Genevieve D. Napiri Jasmine A. Remo Jenny B. Fourth year, Lopez Yen L. Magdalita Marvin Clay B.
Those were our awardees from management. Next off, let's welcome the awardees from marketing management.
President's Lister and Dean's Lister for the second semester of academic year 2024 to 2025 and first semester of academic year 2025 to 2026. Second year, Abais Naomi Joyce A. Alejo Baby Rose A. Amamillo Maria Daniela L. Bragais Darling Charmy Y. Servito Aliana Marie B. Third year, Bigueras Christian May B. Fourth year, Kalika Angel May B. Gado Ana May C. Gaveria Jasmine Rose A. Leona Vanessa N. Dean's Lister and President's Lister. Second year, Barbacena Leonor B. Garcia Dayan B. For third year, Almosara Ruben Jr. R. Calunod Jenilu M. Castuera Christian D. Castuera Narilyn B. Encisa John Iro S. Encisa Riza May Trisha P. Loterte Joy M. Mirano Earl John M. Rabelas Micaela Melise S. Rago Joshua P. Repo Anjima S. Riel Ivan Chris M. And for fourth year, Alvarado Sherry Guen S. Bon Micaela Joy E. Linga Hershey Keith P.
Dean's Lister for 2 consecutive semesters. Second year, Acuna Angela Bettina B. Aranja Riza May M. Ariola Angeline O. Badillo Angeline L. Balbedina Yen L. Bernaldez Daphne C. Bongkakas Justin T. Brofes Kleiny Jen B. Bufa Mary Joy D. Comiso Kathleen Gail B. Cruz Jesus Noel A. Danipog Mac Lester O. De Castro Doreen Kyla V. Heron Eunice Jane A. Ladimo Patricia Natalie May A. Lorenzana John Mike B. Lustre Kathleen Faith B. Manga Kirsten Hanika B. Manguera Christine Joy N. Parone Roangela T. Rebancos Cristel May C. Rehuso Romary A. C. Christine May M. Zabalia o Jamaica C. Third year, Albardo Romelin G. Luceñada Desiree B. Niebres Joanna Nicole V. Kirona Patricia Marie G. Fourth year, Betujo Jethro Inigo A. Brun Maximus Stephen M. Buenafe Sunshine H. Cañas Rain Alexa M. Diaz Sofia Zyrene L. Gados John Joshua B. Lorica Christine May B. Masinas Rain A. Magdato Mayen L. Quinto Jemuel V. Sumido Allen Romel N. Dean's Lister for second semester, academic year 2024-2025. Second year, Malto Sila Jane M. Third year, Rosal Nathaniel E. Dean's Lister for first semester, academic year 2025-2026. First year, Bobier Chester J. Fidel Princess R. Guillermo Daphne Gail L. Mendones Kate Mary Marjorie C.
Oh. And now, after the marketing management, we have the awardees from the BSBA Operations Management Academic Awardees.
President's Lister and Dean's Lister. Third year, Abinyo Fernaliet M. Alcazar Jasmine S. Altea Daniel Andy. Cabug Dexter A. Calios Trisha Christine C. Duque Helen Grace M. Lozano Marianne L. Mercader Stephanie A. Naive Samantha May L. Prieto Shane M. Senora Gisela O. Velas Shamila Daryl Jean N. And for fourth year, Bocato Jaika May L. Lianeta Elmer Lisa A. Penes Sofia Sena G. Dean's Lister and President's Lister. Fourth year, Loremia Jana Sheena N. Regino Mark Tyrone B. Dean's Lister for 2 consecutive semesters. Second year, Abinyon Nicole M. Alamo Yvonne H. Anna Claire Joy M. Arena Renaline N. Aringo Sarah Joy A. Banaya Riza May B. Bercasio Jillian A. Buse Patricia May O. Camacho Eliza Reese C. Hirai Erica M. Gubaton Maria Luis Andrea A. Hanoras Frances Therese B. Nomo Katrina K.C. Ogayon Sara N. Punong Bayan Samantha Claire N. Rance Crisel Joy B. Rodrigueza Eliza A. And fourth year, Apuli Denise L. Austria Crystalline M. Bermundo Yvonne M. Buhatin Hizel B. Chica Daniela Marie A. Climaco Cookie Marwin L. Del Rosario Mary Emeline L. Fortes Rufa May G. Halmanzar Yasmin L. Labog Shirley Ann B. Lozona Angeli B. Manzanillo Fatima M. Riadin Ira May G. And Sipulo John Ruiz B.
Dean's Lister for first semester, academic year 2025-2026. First year, Antones Angel M. Antwerpia Mabel A. Atento Carmela A. Atun K. Nicole M. Bailey Jasmine B. Baharo Ashley Gwyneth D. Balingkit Daniela. Belen Kathleen A. Sardenio Charlene E. Dyson John Rec D. Delumen Micah O. Dino Aliyah Kim. Gravitud Edna D. Marbella Chloe Hyacinth A. Milyares Michael Renz G. Nosedal Angeline O. Nueva Juvelin N. Obligacion Annalisa L. Ogayon Annabella A. Orolfo Gabriel O. Palacio Abigail A. Reyaso Sofia O. Ropal Gwyneth Alexa R. Rosare Rowena M. Rubia Princess Jonabel B. Serban Lara Jasmine G. Trillies Honey Jane M. And Velasco Charmel R. Second year, Agripa Angel Lorraine P. Ardales Christian C. Aison Chloe N. Buitizon Joyce A. Satenya Merwin M. Crisini Carlene C. Delphine Lara Shane N. Dominguez Christian A. III. Homo Angel Nicole P. Javier Jonah May B. Logroño Jean-Marie D. Murillo Sarah May V. Musa Agneta A. Penilios Brian L. Quinones Bea P. Rafael Sidney L. V. Premoto John Paul Anthony P. Rojas Shane A. Fourth year, Balyaran Carl Christian M. Dean's Lister for second semester academic year 2024-2025, Esparago Nico D.
And on to our last program from Business Administration. Give it up for Microfinance.
President's Lister and Dean's Lister. Second year, Lotivio Mika Jane R. Third year, Apuad Romer James C. Barias Jessica B. Benosa Lorna May C. Corbilia Lemuel B. De Los Santos Elaine Justin Guy E. Demeterio Aravela B. Gamos Carmela Eunice A. Garay Cyril Jane D. Giliana Kim O. Diarena Angelica R. Natural Prince Mosiah R. Novello Maria Daniela D. Ramirez Bea M. And fourth year, Abarrientos Julie Ann M. And Herrera Anna Marie C. Dean's Lister and President's Lister. Second year, Aro Eliza Nina L. Bacacao Mikey Claire A. Borja John Kenneth B. Danico Lovely B. Leron Jobert L. Yanera Michelle D. Lunar Menchi N. Narito Delphine Jeremy D. Salyan Karen M. Dean's Lister for 2 consecutive semesters. Second year, Ansano Valerie. Ardales Angela R. Baro Eliza Robbie R. Benavente Christine M. Cipriano Jules Angelo N. Colico Chanda Marie D. Liorca Leslie L. Malate Clark Nathaniel B. Moral Shella May M. Napili Ivan L. Narvaez Mark John M. Nipas John Mark L. Pillahera Angel P. Roaring, Roaring, Casey Nicole O. Valenzuela Olin M. Third year, Aguila Joshua. Alvarez Jehan Natalie G. Baral Maridel A. Barameda Rain Richel B. Basalyote Friends M. Brolagda Giancarlo D. Castuera Jerry Ivan B. Yames Joshua A. Niebla Kyla G. Talara K. Carice O. Fourth year, Aranel Jodel A. Arganda Sheila B. Aringo Janeline A. Balmejano Kyla Marie G. Cambia Maria Claudia D. De Vera Siza Joy D. Lopez Tracy Joy L. Lorica Errol John L. Ludovice Charles Roxanne S. Lumbao Alisa B. Malia Sally B. Manrisa Jessica M. Marbella Makayla Jane N. Miliano Joanna Marie M. Puche Joycey O.
Dean's Lister for first semester academic year 2025-2026. First year, Alejo Patrick A. Ancheta Hazel Ann A. Aranja Charlotte P. Bahoy Maria Teresa A. Berses Alexa Danielle A. Clasho John Paul R. Kotala Harold B. Desilio John Ray B. Destura Alexa Rose B. Didato Abdul Hunaid B. Espinosa Laika L. Espiritu Santo Gabriel May M. Esquejo Quintin A. Esquivel Janina Sofia L. Ibanez Marinel L. Herrera Ezequiel D. Jr. Morcoso Maria Abigail A. Naz Nicole L. Puazo Maria Vea A. Villamia Sofia Janelle F. Second year, Abila Angela N. Ablao Stephanie Charm B. Alzaga Maria Jerica G. Armero Mika T. Barcelon Irish B. Barcelon Ramona Isabel M. Bartolata Jenica Ella R. Ebisawa Dune Treasure M. Luna Jobert L. Marcaida Rose Ann L. Mendoza Riza M. Nieto Nicole Jane C. Salis Christine Leanti. Sevillano Franz Herdam Luz C. Valenzuela Angeline V. Fourth year, Canyon Christine Joy A. Fernandez Mark Adrian A. and Perdigon Charmaine A.
Congratulations to all our awardees from the Business Administration programs and also the other departments.
From our awardees from 4 departments of the Bicol University College of Business, Economics, and Management, congratulations po with all of the awards you have received today. But before we proceed to the next portion of our awarding ceremonies, we are requesting everyone po, yung mga nasa likod po and nasa aisle, to please proceed first for their respective seats as we still have several events for these awarding ceremonies. Again, requesting everyone po sa ating entrance, sa aisle, sa photo opportunity place, to please proceed back for our next portions for this event. Thank you so much. With this partner, once again, a warmest congratulations to our honorees. May this serve as a reminder that your path will be filled with both successes and struggles. And today is a moment of your victory worth celebrating.
I totally agree with that, partner. Today, we have witnessed a glimpse of everyone's journey through your well-deserved recognition. For every long night and moment you doubted yourselves, you continued to push forward. This achievement is the fruit of your perseverance, and you deserve to celebrate it loud. However, the program doesn't just end there. Right, partner?
That's right, Micah. And I would like to note as well, one of the key message of our keynote speaker earlier is whenever you have a lot of achievements just like today, let us be humble and cement our foot in the ground. Okay, so I think this is one of the highlights of the 2026 BUCBM recognition. At this moment, we invite our 2026 outstanding BUCBM college student, Stephen Michael A. Takilid, to deliver a heartfelt message on behalf of all the awardees here with us today. Ladies and gentlemen, let us give Mr. Takilid a round of applause, please.
Hello, mic test. Bahala na. Mamaya na. Okay lang. Words that we commonly say whenever we feel unsatisfied with the effort and time that we invested in certain things such as activities, quizzes, exams, recitations, and school events. Pero nakita mo ba kung ilang beses mong pinili na maging malakas kahit nasa alam mong nangihina ka na? Napansin mo ba ang mga araw na pinili mong maging masigla kahit napagod ka na? Alam ko, kasi katulad mo, estudyante rin ako. Those late night studies that you thought didn't matter, the moments that you almost gave up but still submitted the task, and the times you doubted yourself but you still showed up, they counted. Hindi masusukat ng salita ang sipag na ibinuhos mo. Hindi basehan ang salita upang masabi kung gaano ka nagpursige. You are where you're supposed to be. To our President, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III, to our Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Maria Julieta Bores, to our lovely Dean, Dr. Dimson M. Rivero, to our Associate Dean, Professor Julie Ann Lustan, to our CSAS Coordinator, Professor Geneva Narioliagas, to our University Registrar, Mr. Phil V. Morano, to our keynote speaker, Mr. Clint Jan B. Mercozo, to all teaching and non-teaching personnel, and to my co-students here in Buseng Gymnasium, a pleasant morning to all of you. Bahala na, dalawang salita. We say, bahala na, when we're exhausted, when deadlines pile up, when requirements overlap, and when our minds are too tired to even think clearly anymore. We say, bahala na, when we feel unprepared, nung tipong pagtingin mo ng exam paper, question mo na agad ang sarili mo, sapat ba ang inaral ko? We say, bahala na, when pressure feels too much, when expectations from other people feels heavier than your own confidence. But more than that, we say, bahala na, after we've already given everything we can. After the sleepless nights spent finishing activities, writing thesis, and submitting tasks on time. Pagkatapos mo mag-review ng paulit-ulit kahit na walang nare-retain, after showing up to class, participating in recitations, taking exams, and doing the responsibilities as a student, even on the days we don't feel okay, we say, bahala na, not because we didn't try, but because we did. Because behind every bahala na is a student who pushed through fatigue, doubt, and pressure. A student who chose to continue even when it was hard. Mamaya na, salitang akala ng nakararami ay katamaran. Pero ang totoo, ito ay sakripisyo. Mamaya na ako kakain, mamaya na ako magpapahinga, tapusin ko lang to. Mamaya ko na asikasuhin ang sarili ko. These are the quiet decisions of working students who juggle academics and responsibilities. Sila yung mga estudyanteng pinili munang magtrabaho bago magpahinga just to make ends meet. Who carry both deadlines and duties on their shoulders. These are the words of student leaders who put others before themselves. The leaders who are doing their best to realize the platforms that they promised during campaigns, organize events behind the scenes, and solve problems no one else sees. The time that could have been devoted to their personal priorities was instead dedicated to serving the student body. These are also the words of the teaching and non-teaching personnel who continue to show up every day, giving their time, energy, and patience to make sure that learning never stops, even when they themselves are already tired. Mamaya na is not about delay. It's about choosing to keep going. Because the truth is, every time we say mamaya na, we are not avoiding responsibilities. We chose to sacrifice the rest just to fulfill what needs to be done. And that is a different kind of strength. Okay lang. When someone asked you, okay ka lang ba? What's the first thing that slips your mouth? Okay lang. Two simple words. Napakadaling intindihin. Okay lang even if you're not feeling okay. Okay lang kahit na napapagod ka na. Okay lang kahit na hindi mo na naalagaan ang sarili mo. Okay lang kahit na nawawalan ka na ng time makipag-socialize. Okay lang kahit na nahihirapan ka na mentally, emotionally, and physically. We say okay lang not because it's true, but because it's easier. Mas madaling sabihin na okay lang kaysa sa maglabas ng hinanakit ng loob. It's easier to smile rather than showing other people our vulnerability. We say okay lang not because everything is okay, but because we choose to be strong. Because we don't want to burden other people. Because we still want to keep going. Because even when it hurts, we endure. Kasi ang totoo, hindi lahat ay okay lang. And that's what makes it powerful. Because behind those words are silent battles, unseen sacrifices, and a strength that doesn't always ask to be recognized. Before I close this speech, nais ko lang pasalamatan ang mga individual na naging parte sa biyahe ng buhay ko. To my college friends, thank you. Thank you for being part of my journey. For the laughs, the stress, the cramming sessions, and even the moments when we all felt like giving up. You made the hard days lighter and the good days even more meaningful. You were there in every bahala na, every mamaya na, every okay lang. And because of you, I never had to go through those moments alone. This recognition may have my name on it, but a part of it belongs to all of you. Because without you, this journey wouldn't be the same. Thank you for growing with me. To my brother in band who lives far away, Nestor, you know who you are. Sa bawat tawa, kalokohan at gutom, you were there. Thank you for being part of my life. To my family and relatives, kayo ang naging sandalan ko sa bawat bahala na, yung dahilan kung bakit sinasabi kong mamaya na ang pahinga at yung lakas ko sa bawat okay lang. Kahit hindi na talaga okay. This achievement is not mine alone. It is ours. Because everything I am today is rooted to your love, support, and guidance. Thank you for everything. To the one who guided me in my leadership journey, a mother who never failed to correct my mistakes, someone who treated me as her own son, to someone I can always rely on when I need tips and advice. Ma'am Evangeline Honorado, thank you for everything. And to someone very special to me, Kyle Mira Navarro, thank you for being my safe space, even in the middle of everything. For listening when I needed to be heard, for understanding even the things I couldn't explain, and for staying, especially during the moments when things were not easy. You were there in my quiet battles, and every bahala na when I felt unsure, and every mamaya na when I had to keep going, and every okay lang when I was trying to be strong. Your presence gave me comfort, your support gave me strength, and your belief in me reminded me to keep pushing forward. This achievement is not just mine, because a part of this journey I shared with you. Thank you for being you. And lastly, to my mother who is sitting right there with you. Simple lang masasabi ko, Ma, nagawa ko na. Malayo na, pero malayo pa. Sa nanay kong nagsilbi, bilang tatay na rin naming magkapatid, salamat po. Salamat sa pagiging matatag, sa hindi pagsuko sa amin, sa pagmamahal, na walang kondisyon, sa suportang lubos-lubos at sa tiwala. Mag-isa mo kaming pinalaki, tinuruan ng mga tamang asal, at hinubog sa tamang pamamaraan. Ginawa ang lahat ng makakaya, mabigay lamang ang buhay na mapayapa. Naging gasoline girl, tindera, saleswoman, at iba pang racket para lamang sa ikabubuti naming mga kapatid. Ma, salamat po. Kundi dahil sa iyo, wala ko ngayon sa kinatatayuan ko. Mahal na mahal kita, Ma, at salamat sa lahat. Before I end, I want to express my sincerest congratulations to all of the awardees today. Give yourself a round of applause. Remember the days when you doubted yourself, the moments when you feel like the world is against you, the times when you feel like giving up. This is the fruit of your efforts. Congratulations to all of you. And to those who were not called on stage today, this moment does not define your worth. Hindi nasusukat sa palakpakan o sa pag-akyat ng entablado ang lahat ng puyat, pagod at sakripisyong pinagdaanan mo sa bawat bahala na nalilakasan mo ang loob mo, sa bawat mamaya na pinili mong unahin ang responsibilidad kaysa magpahinga, at sa bawat okay lang na kahit hindi na talaga. That is already something to be proud of. Your journey is valid, your efforts are seen, and your story is still unfolding. Because at the end of the day, lahat tayo ay scholar ng bayan. That would be all, and thank you.
Bahala na, mamaya na, okay lang yan. Such humble-coded words from our 2026 outstanding college student. Again, congratulations to our awardee, Mr. Takili. Please give him a warm round of applause.
And now that we've reached the end of today's ceremony, we invite our BUCBM Associate Dean and Planning Officer, Dr. Julie Ann M. Lustan, to join us here on stage for her closing remarks.
Thank you, Aaron and Micah. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed administrators, faculty, non-teaching personnel, and especially to our outstanding students. As we bring this meaningful celebration to a close, I want to extend my heartfelt congratulations to everyone who has been recognized today. Your achievements are a testament to your hard work, perseverance, and dedication. Each of you has shown what it means to strive for excellence, not just in academics, but in leadership, service, and character. Let us give also the opportunity to thank and give a big round of applause to the people who have worked hard for today's celebration. To the College Dean, Dr. Dimson N. Rivero, for the support and guidance in all ways. Professor Geneva N. Liagas, the CSA of CBEM, the CSE advisor also, and the CSE officers headed by Mix Roger De La Torre, and the incoming CSE officers for your generosity and perseverance, to the department chairpersons, faculty members, and non-teaching personnel for your assistance in realizing this momentous event. Congratulations once again to all our honorees. Thank you for making us proud. Together, let's continue to go. Have a wonderful day and congratulations to all. To God be all the glory.
Thank you so much, Dr. Lustan, for the words of gratitude. And now, for this portion, let us take this moment to everyone to please arise for the singing of the Bicol University hymn to be conducted by our sports coordinator and college publication advisor, Professor Gemma A. Sarte.
Once again, congratulations to every student from the College of Business, Economics, and Management.
Continue striving for excellence and always go beyond the best.
This has been Micah
And I am Aaron and I miss hosting into them.
saying you, thank you,
and
and good day.
Yung mga gusto mag-photo opportunity po sa stage,